what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. Running a little late today. That's okay. Shoot, I don't even have everything up right now, so it's gonna take me a little minute to get situated. Let's get this stuff going. We're at open right now. Just launched open. Let's see what we get today. It's Monday. Day 16 trading Apex accounts. I'm a little bit, we'll see what we can get out of today. There's a few levels that I drew out on my higher time frame chart here. So I was curious to see. Let's see, when did we do that? The 15th. Yeah, it was Friday. Okay. I'm curious to see if we tap in here again and then drop. I mean, we already did, but that was pre-market. So the pre-market high, obviously 858. I'm curious to see if we tap anywhere in this range from basically 58.60 all the way until, the highs at 880, to see if we drop again at that supply zone up here. Let me get Bookmap open. Yeah, I'm all types of late today, but partner will be joining us soon. He had to run some errands. That's okay. He said he'll be back in the market probably around about 30-45 minutes. Right now we're up 20 points at the open, still climbing. Yeah, I'm curious to see if we still get rejected off this zone here, the supply zone, or if we continue pushing higher, if all the supply was already dumped. I mean, we saw this get dumped, on the 14th. We saw it get dumped again on the 15th. Didn't get dumped as hard the second time when we were in the zone, but let's just see how it plays out. This is key supply, key resistance, whatever you want to call it, key resistance up here in this range. So right now we just touched the high of the session at 870. Let's see what we get here. Looks like we might get a rejection here. But then I was looking for, then there's like support. So I was doing a little bit of chart study on Sunday or Saturday night, Sunday, and then drawing different, potential resistance and support areas. It's not much. I mean, we don't have much to go off of up top here, except for where we have already touched, since the 13th. But then we have these different areas down here to be on the lookout for, just in case we dump again. So these, if I get in a short, these will be potential target areas. But right now, like I said, the market is up about 24-25 points, still climbing. I'm curious to see how it treats this zone here. It was obvious heavy supply.
Seller sweep and Q.
Heavy supply in the past. It looks like it's still trying to work as supply. I should have set one. I should have set a limit right here at 65-70. Might get my chance. Let's see. But then I don't know if it's gonna run through this. If it's gonna break through this struggle area that it's been struggling, for the past couple days. We are in December. It's the end of the year. People think to look for a Santa rally. So I wouldn't feel comfortable longing this just yet unless it broke out of that range that I just showed you guys. But I'm also, I'm a bear at heart, so I'm also looking for potential shorts. But right now this is up 18-19 points right now. It's getting rejected. It is getting rejected. The bears are holding the area so far. But let's just see. Let's get some other stuff set up here. Is this my short? Is this my short? Let's see. Set a limit at 65. Maybe 70. So guys, let's see if you notice. See if you notice anything going on with this. I got a limit set. I'll take 70 if it hits it. Maybe 65. But I feel like this thing's gonna push though. Let me see. Let's take a look at this in more in depth. It could push a little bit more, maybe to 880 again, that range. But let's see. I think I want to limit up here at 70 as well. Look for this short. But then is that? I don't know. No, let me take that off. I don't know, cause it's looking like it. Let's see how far. Let's be patient. Let's see how far it goes. I'm gonna chill on that right now. I'm gonna chill on that. Candles up 20 points. Yeah, I'm gonna chill on that. Alright, let's finish getting this stuff set up. Like I said, I am running late today. I don't even see this. There's that push. We're up 30 points almost. So, you know, that target would have got filled at around 70. But getting rejected. So yeah, we did request a payout Friday. I just checked the dashboard. It's still saying pending approval. But like I said, this will be my first time requesting from Apex, so I expect it to take a few days. Plus they paying like a million people trying to process all those payouts. So I get why their payout method is set up the way they are. I mean, obviously I wish they could be better, but I mean, it is what it is. Okay, let's see. We're approaching. We got liquidity at 880. I'm still watching. Let's see to see if we get rejected. I think I had an order. I had a limit set at 880, but I don't know. It's looking. I want to see, yeah, how well does it hold this area. We're approaching. All-time highs are not that far off. All-time high was 887.25. You know, let's see what happens when it gets up there. I might even just set a, you know, if it does push. Shoot, let me see. Let me check bookmap again. 880. There's a lot of liquidity up at the top here. Wow, I probably just missed my chance. A lot of liquidity sitting at 72. Or no, not 72, 77, and then they just pushed it to 880 again, and they just moved it up actually. So if we look, it'll be sitting here at 880 and like just above. And I think the Bulls probably want to run through that. They're holding it though. Bears holding it. As for me, I'd feel comfortable setting a limit to short up here like 905. We'll just keep that there. But yeah, it looks like those limits would have worked out if I kept them. I had one at 880, that would have missed, and I think I had one at 870, so I'd be up like almost 10 points right now. But that's okay. I want to see what it does. Okay, finally shows up. Alright, let's see. So Jeremy, you looks like you're the first one to notice. It's not 20 contracts. I did pick up all those Apex accounts, and now I'm trading 20 accounts. 20 Apex accounts. Oh man, yeah. 20 Apex accounts. Yeah, Christmas rally. Yeah. It's real. It's real. That Santa Christmas rally is definitely real. Yeah, I got 20 accounts. Look at this. Look at this drop down. Look at that. That's funny. Yeah, we're trying something here. I was doing the math on that on the accounts, and then if I can yeah, and then passing one day. Yeah, that's really my Oh, does it have issues over 10? Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Oh. Ah, man. That ain't good. Well, let's see here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. We're gonna I hope we don't run into any issues. I haven't had any real trade of 8 issues in a while. It's been some time. Let's hope it's not any issues with it though. We're still in this range here. It's looking bullish, to be honest. That's why I don't really feel comfortable shorting this. Like I said, if I'd have kept my limit, I'd have been in short at 870. Would took 8 points of drawdown, and then yeah, and then could have got a 10-point move, but yeah. Okay. 10, yeah. I probably should split it up, actually. That probably would be the smart thing to do. Let's see. Let me get the... what happened to the... That's okay. Let's get the... Let me see bookmap. I feel like these bulls want to break through this. This heavy liquidity, obviously, at the 880 level. Super liquidity there. So I don't know if the bulls want to take it or if this is going to reject from the previous high area. Let's see, what is that? 880. Yeah, so like I said, I was doing my chart study, looking for things looking for things over the weekend, potential areas to get in short, get in long, potential support. Looks like the Bears are trying to hold this off. They're trying to defend their territory right now. Bulls, of course, trying to break it. I hope I'm not missing this short. But first 15 minutes of this, and yeah, we get a bunch of craziness. That short would have, that would have been, I should have just hopped in. But we'll see. Let's look at the next, we're about to get the next 15-minute candle here soon. A couple minutes. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's check the 1,000 tick. We got VWAP at 44. Looks like they're setting liquidity at 50. So yeah, they got liquidity down here at 50. They're pushing down. Sitting on my hands right now, guys. Sitting on my hands. Yeah. But that short, I mean, it's sketchy, right? The open, the bulls could just go nuts, go crazy. I don't want to get in this just yet. I feel like, but obviously it would have played out. That 70 level would have played out and it would have been nice, but that's okay. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna sit on our hands for now. What am I trying to do? These bulls trying to come back.
Okay.
What up?
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, chat? What's up, risk managers in the chat? What's up?
what just happened, but oh yeah, I gotta do my, hold on. I haven't taken any position yet. Low key kind of scared. Well, just kind of waiting to see. Not scared, just waiting to see. But I was potentially thinking about entering a short at 870. I took my limit off. It would have played out, but in the moment the bulls looked like they had it, so I canceled it. Yeah.
I mean, I think that's probably like a smart thing. Well, I think that was smart. We don't know what the heck is going to happen right now.
Yeah.
And the market's not very clear, so.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's kind of crazy right now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The Apex, that account has a power. When I saw the market was going up, man, I was like, man, I'm about to jump in on this with 6 contracts at the stop.
They know what they doing, yeah.
I was like, I need to go on this with 6 contracts. Okay, so I'm looking at the charts right now. So there is a pocket of liquidity right here.
Yeah. And Jack. Oh yeah. Go ahead. My bad, man.
I'm saying, I mean, it looks like it's going down, but the bulls are kind of holding it right here. So I mean,
that's what I was just saying to everybody. Like, it's a fight right now. It's a battle between the territory. Who's gonna hold out? I don't know. Pulled up book map. I was just gonna say, Jack. Yeah, that humming you probably hearing is more than likely my laptop cooler. So yeah, I am trading off my my laptop, and I got it sitting on a cooler to keep it keep this thing cool from overheating. Cause I'm running all these things, the stream, everything. Yeah, it's eating up a lot of resources, but gotta keep her cool.
Yep. Keep her cool, she'll keep you cool.
Yeah, I see some liquidity at the bottom here. What level is that? It's not.
And then there's VWAP, dude. We got the VWAP. We got 200 EMA, right? Like, dude.
Yeah, it's probably best to just sit on your hand. Like, I feel like a short might, but I don't know. The bulls they're trying to hold it. They're trying to hold the territory. So I'm just like, let me just sit on my hands and chill out.
Artificial intelligence is creating music now that we can use in our video.
AI, whoa.
Oh, Chandra. Oh yeah, AI. I mean, well, AI is doing a lot of amazing things. It's basically AI. It's basically automation. It's just giving the word AI, that make it sound cooler than what it is. But it's just basically automation of things, of repetitive tasks that it's just gonna happen over and over again.
We just dropped and tapped VWAP. I wonder, should I go long here? Oh, should I long here? Hold on. Let me check my charts. I think VWAP, that's point of control. I think so. 15-minute is still in an uptrend. 5-minute is showing. I don't know. We'd have to break like 838 for me to be. Well, no, 830 for me to really be considering the trend reversal here. But I feel like it's still an uptrend. I'm going to. Let's see. They just held off there. Where's that liquidity sitting at? They're pushing. Yeah, that liquidity's sitting down there. Let's. Decisions. And look at this volume. This area is heavy on volume from the past. Gosh, I was looking for the shorts earlier. I wasn't too comfortable shorting there because the bulls felt like they were. I just felt like they had it. They were going to push higher. They may needed to drop to collect more liquidity and then go higher. I could see that, but let's put one here. Actually, I want to go lower.
Okay.
I want to go
Yeah,
lower.
I think this is a my bad.
No, go
got a
ahead.
random call.
This is still in an uptrend. It hasn't broken yet, so I'm gonna put this, right here at 37. So I'm gonna put a order to go long at 37. If we come back down there, might not get that opportunity. Maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to check all my charts now before just hopping in. What's today? The 18th, Monday. This actually is kind of tame right now. I wonder what's cooking up right now, because this is kind of tame. 806. 806 is a good area. That'd probably be the best area to go long. If it drops that low, if we dump to 806, I'd probably look to go long there between 800 and 806, because that's been showing like super support. Super support resistance area. It looks like I missed my opportunity. We tap VWAP. We got a VWAP bounce so far. 806. Yeah, hopefully this thing don't crash my laptop with all the maybe here would be the best opportunity. Let's set it at the golden fib. I think I'll feel better doing that. Selling. Huh. Oh, that's what it is. I'm tripping. Oh man, it looks like that VWAP bounce about to play out. Yeah. Potentially. You know what? I want to potentially get in on some action, on some long action. Set a limit there at EMA. Yeah, because I feel like the trend is continuing up. So, and then how much was that? Let's see. Everybody. Oh man. Oh, I'm missing it. Oh, F it. Let's go. Order filled. Filled. Might take some pullback here. 15 minute, 5 minute. Hold on, let me plot my entry on here really quick. 63. Yeah, should have put an area at VWAP. Should have put one at VWAP. That would have been the better move. A little bit of anxious hopping in position there. Just a little bit, but I feel like we're in an uptrend. Bears got their chance to sell off. They didn't really do much with it. Now the bulls, I feel, can come take back control and try to break above that heavy zone there, super heavy zone. With a potential target for 900. You know, everybody was talking about 900. I could see it happen. You know, it's not out of the ordinary to think that it can't happen. Potentially, maybe what, 9. I bet you, watch it. I bet you we climb to like the 950s and stuff. Watch, that would be crazy. VPVR indicator shows the amount of people longing. See, I don't know, Jeremy. I don't know about that one. I know Top Step. If they have a basically what you're talking about there. They have an indicator. They call it tilt, but that's just showing their Top Step traders. That's not showing like all of the market. I mean, that would be that would be a real beast indicator, actually. Showing longs versus shorts, like a percentage of longs and shorts. So remember, ES NQ's been like outperforming the ES lately. That's what I've noticed. Okay, bulls finally pushing, or trying to push. Bears are still, you know, doing their thing, trying to hold their territory. Got liquidity up just above 77. Well, now they pushed it down to 77. So let's see what happens here. Yo, I think we could target like 950 today, honestly. Like, that would be nuts. But definitely not. I mean, because we pretty much cleared. What more supply is left? I mean, they're holding right now, but let the bulls come in full force, and they're gonna take this. I truly believe they're gonna take that. Man, this would have been a much better long at VWAP. Oh my gosh. It didn't break. Oh well. Can't complain about the missed opportunity now. It's too late now. We're in at 863 long. There we go, bulls. There we go, bulls. Up. We gotta be careful though. We tapping into this supply. Tapping into it. I'm gonna put some. Come on, bulls. Come on. 950. Y'all gonna push to 950? Make me look good, bulls. I'm gonna put that there. Oh, no way. Okay. Y'all hear all that? That's insane. I know I got out too early, but I wanted to protect some of that. So we just took that one trade. We're up 1460 on hopefully all 20 accounts. I gotta go through and check them all. But yeah, we're up on there. Like I said, I'd be cautious, maybe long a pullback, because like I said, look at that. We just tapped into this area. It's iffy. I think the bulls are gonna take it though. Honestly, looking at this, I think they're gonna take it, but it is iffy. Okay, 5-minute buyers versus sellers. Buyers trying to push. 15-minute, they're already up. It's no. Let me see if I go. Yeah, you hear all that, all those order fields? Yeah, that's nuts. I don't know how I can turn that off without completely muting myself. Is there some settings in Tradeovate? I don't know. I never looked into it because I didn't mind it before, but now that is kind of crazy. All those order fields. Even a trading partner on stream, he don't know I bought. I got 20 accounts. I went crazy. They're all 150K size accounts on Apex. I was like, you know what? Let's do this. Let's see if I can do this. So This may just be the little retracement before the next push. It's a 5 minute. Let's see the 1,000. I mean, not bad of a trade. Obviously, the better that 80K. You know, hey, if it happens, it happens. I mean, I don't. That's not why I got them. I mean, there's that. You know, Apex is giving away that raffle, that 80K raffle. I mean, I don't ever win anything, so I'm not counting on that. But I was thinking about, you know, if I had started out with 20 initially, prior to today, if I had started out with 20, right, I would be, I ran the numbers yesterday. Let's see, because I had just over 39K, right? I had just over 39K. Yeah, I would be up over $780,000 if I had started with 20, traded the way I've been trading so far. I'd be up 780K right now, or before today. And I'm like, man, that's wild. Between, you know, total from all the accounts, I'm like, that's wild. Then I just, you know, then I probably just, my strategy would be to switch to micros, trade that until the 4 months is up, and then I'll withdraw 100% of all the accounts, and yeah, retire. Nah, I wouldn't retire. I'd probably still just keep trading, probably do it full time. But yeah, we're still in that area. It's looking, look, I'm looking on my 15-minute chart. It's looking bullish. We kind of just broke out. Let me check the 60K chart. 60K chart does not lie. Look at this. 1, 2, and we're approaching 3. This is looking bullish though. It's looking real bullish. I know I should have stayed in my position, but I wanted to lock in. I wanted to lock in that profit, especially with Apex's trailing drawdown right now, live trailing for all these new accounts. Wanted to lock that in. Okay, we kind of got that rejection. The bulls have to break this. We just hit new all-time highs. Obviously, anything above here is going to be all-time highs again. So we just cracked that. I think they want to go for 900. Obviously, it's super liquidity sitting at 900. I was in long at 863, got out at 78, and now, you know, there's a little pullback. And then now we're kind of pushing, we're ripping. Yeah, I think the bulls got this. I mean, but look, 1, 2, this is the 3rd time tapping in. There's also another scenario I was running, you know, in my head and looking at the charts to see, okay, we got that breakdown, pop up to that same zone, breakdown of here. This could be potential head and shoulders, or if we're looking just at this, could be double top. We get right here, we you know, the bears hold it, we reject, we'll double top before another takeoff. I don't know, can't call it, but yeah, thank you. Yeah, I had to lock that in. Hopefully we can find some more opportunities to get a little bit more, but yeah, I had to lock that in. We're approaching 900. Liquidity sitting here at 900. We know that the bulls are gonna probably have a little bit of struggle breaking that, but you know what? I didn't even check the news. Well, there's usually never any real news on Monday, but let's just pull it up just for. And usually, you know, the market on Mondays can either rip or dip heavy because there's usually no news. Yeah, we're making all-time highs right now. Dang, that would have been sweet if I held that. Sweet if I held that. Dang. Okay.
All right, my bad. I apologize.
Nah, you
Everybody
good.
call me. So yeah, I did take this long.
Oh,
I
did
did
you?
get in long at VWAP. Yeah.
Oh.
It's not going down. It's
Oh.
not going down, dude.
I should have joined you at VWAP. I was a little late to the party, but we still caught some profit. Of course, it pulls back and runs.
Yeah, you know how that goes.
Yeah.
You know how it goes, man. So currently I'm up with a 10. I'm not about to say 10K. I wish. I'm up like 1,100.
Let's get back to those. Let's normalize 10K days again. 5-figure days. Nah. Yeah, we used to. For Apex purposes, I want to stay. Because I want to stay within that 30% consistency rule. But yeah, I used to hit 5-figure days quite frequently.
Yeah. I mean, especially with Apex, man. Like, they give you all that power up front.
Yeah.
Great power comes great responsibility.
Yeah, they want people to blow up going full port though. That's what they want.
I mean, it's really easy to do, man. Like it is not hard. It is not hard to go full port with Apex, man.
Yeah.
They give you 10 million contracts, and before you know it, you got all 10 million contracts on the board.
Yeah.
Like, when did I do this? How did this happen?
Yeah.
But yeah, I've kind of, speaking to myself this weekend, I do have that tendency to really go in heavy with Apex. That's kind of why I personally try to stay away from them. But honestly, it's not Apex's fault. It's me. I just have to make sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to do and not going in 10 contracts off rip.
They're waving a carrot at you, but yeah, you just got to take the responsibility.
Yeah. And that's where that discipline comes in.
Yeah. Alright, we got a little small rejection. Oh man, is this a short? Are they dumping here? Nah, I don't think so just yet. I don't think so just yet.
It's not a dump. I would not short this. I would not short this because if you look to the left, you'll see that the inventory to the left has already been taken out. This might probably be like the leftover orders that didn't get filled, but we got a dump, a retest. We have a bigger dump, and it hit off heavy demand, took up all that liquidity. We're retesting these highs. It's going to push through that. It's definitely pushing through. Well, it's highly likely for it to push through. I don't expect a dump at all.
Yeah,
but the longs are going to have a hard time.
I thought so too. Man, this would have been a perfect entry off VWAP, but I was hesitant to take it.
Man, yeah, I know, man. I know how it gets, because, like, when you're on that winning streak, for some reason, your mind is like, dude, you need, like, a loss to balance it out. And it's crazy, like, how that's, like, why you would do that to yourself, or subconsciously do that to yourself. It's crazy. It's like, you ain't supposed to be winning like this. So that self-sabotage is real. It's self-sabotage.
Yeah, no shorts, Cameron. No shorts. I'm glad you were able to get out, though. Look at all this. This is volume. They're buying Meta, Google, Amazon, Tesla. NQ hit a 15. But we got this. Okay. So we just did crack that 900 liquidity, and they did push it up. But still, I would. I
mean, just going light, man.
Yeah.
I mean, the worst that can happen is just going light. Just put a loss that you can afford to lose, man. Like maybe a $500 loss. I mean, it's not that bad. You can come back from $500. You can come back from that.
Yeah.
One contract, this $500 on one contract is 27 points. You got 27 points from upside because you know it's gonna pump. Trail your stop. Trail at the lows. I mean, these markets. That's the best thing you can do, so you don't feel FOMO.
Yeah, you're right. Just look at. I feel like I'm missing this move, but then I feel like the Bears might want to thrash it down here if I get long.
Man, the Bears have been. Yeah, the only thing that's been thrashing down are the Bears behind. Thrashing. Like Bears can't get a win this season, man. They can't win at all. Oh yeah, did you tell them about that epic short?
Oh no, I did not. For y'all who did not catch my my recap video Friday, It looked like a $2,800 loss, right, on a day. I took that L. I shut off the stream. We were just getting ready to wrap it up. And there was that short setup that we were looking for all morning, all stream. And I hopped on that like a dang sniper, ready to take out Fidel Castro or somebody. Like, I was just on it. I was on it. Like, it was insane. And I went heavy because I had to make my money back. But I was like, this is it. This is the move that we were expecting all day. And we finally got it. I don't know. This may be... We might get a slight pullback here. Maybe. The 5 minute looking like we may get a pullback. How much? Maybe to like 80?
Nope. Nope. This is not a pullback. This could probably go back to... it could probably rebalance at... where's that level at? What? 770?
770? Are you
no,
talking?
no, that's a 20 point pullback. My bad. 80, like when you said like 80,
Yeah.
77-ish.
Yeah.
But no, this is going up. I see the support. This is going up.
There's orders. The Bulls want to get filled at 886. There's liquidity there. Now they're moving it up to 87. They want their orders filled, so it may.
Hey, how about you?
I'd put it. I'd feel comfortable. I'd put 1 right there. Let's see.
One is good, man. Like, one is good. Like, kind of going back to your story. Like, we were stubbornly holding that short the whole stream.
All stream.
All stream was holding that short. We was gonna get that short. She was gonna do what she was supposed to do.
We were just way too early in anticipating it.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Got stopped out. You know, I did the most degen thing and moved my stop down. I was like, man, look, this thing is going to dump. I'm not going to get stopped out and then trying to fumble back into it.
Yeah.
I scaled in and moved my stop up, and luckily it worked out because we knew it was going to short, but obviously because I felt like, oh man, I was in this short all day.
Yeah.
I feel that the market should pay me for my time wasted or waiting on it to do a move that I knew it was going to do.
Yeah.
I was up about 96 points in the short on Friday. I was literally at the bottom. But my mind was trying to tell me that this was going further to, I think it was 732. I think it only got to 768 or something like that. I wanted 30 more points.
Yeah.
Did the most degen thing, took a screenshot. It's like, look at that 96 points.
It's always a screen.
Totally retraced all the way back against me.
I said we'll take a screenshot, but we can't secure the profits. Get out of the position, secure the profits. That reminds me.
It's not about the profits. It's about the target, baby. It's about the target, baby.
That reminds me of Wall Street Bets options days. Like, look at my options position. Let's go. I think this is that short from all that liquidity sitting up there, and I'm stuck long. I'm only long 1. I'm stuck at 87, like we talked about. But nice short, Jack. Nice short.
Honestly, I'm gonna get in 1 right here. I'm gonna have my stop underneath.
You getting in a long or a short?
Not short.
So I'm getting long.
Oh, freak! Did I just do something foolish?
Did we miss something? Did we look at all our charts? I got another scale in to scale in. No, it might. No, you know what? It could potentially. This could potentially go like down here before a bounce, because we just came up from. Where did we come up from? 902. How many points is that down?
You know what? Am I going to be stubborn again? Am I going to be stubborn again?
What are we doing? What are we talking about here?
Well, it rejected off of the 236. It rejected off of 901. There's a fib level, or VWAP is sitting at 853 on the higher time frame chart. It rejected perfectly off of that 901.
Let me see. see. I told you we'd get a little pullback here from all that liquidity that was sitting at 900. So you could have, you guys could have hopped in a short to scalp that move down. I don't think we push. I don't think the bears can handle going any lower though. In my opinion, I mean, this is just their chance to. Yeah, I'm hopping,
order filled.
I'm hopping in again.
Yeah, I already scaled in at 70. I scaled in at 72.
Oh, 15 minute just kind of showed me something that I don't like, but we're gonna keep it. Well, let's just see. Let's see here, because
this is definitely going up. This is definitely shooting back up.
I believe it.
This is not a short.
I believe it.
Not a short.
But some of these signs be scaring me sometimes. All right, CL's dumping. Well, CL's, they're selling out of it. Whoa, CL! My God, I should have been focusing on you, CL. Look at this chart. Dang, we're back up to 74. CL. Okay, how do I turn that down? I don't know how to turn that down, y'all. The order fill volume, application settings. Yeah, I'm not sure. Boom, boom, boom. Do we go higher? Run higher to like 915 potentially. The only thing I could say is, I could turn my. If I turn my desktop volume down, y'all won't be able to hear our commentary. James thinks a reverse is coming. I don't know quite just yet, man. I don't know. I mean, the 15 minute is kind of there was that sign, but look at the 5 minute. Look at this. Just getting 8 back up. More liquidity back at 902. I think we get one more push higher before maybe a dump. Maybe. Yeah, if it's kind of loud, I can turn it down, or I can turn. No, that's my volume. I can turn the desktop volume down, but y'all will probably barely be able to hear the commentary from you. You'll hear me. Let me see. I'm gonna turn that down a little bit. Sherman, you might have to talk a little bit louder. I'm gonna put a. Let's see. What's that? 86. That'd be 4 points on 2 cons. We got liquidity at 894 here. Big blocks, but I think they moved it down. Let's see. 93. We just ran through that. And then 40. Okay. So they moved the blocks to 902 at the highs, basically. The heavy order blocks. I'm looking at Bookmap. They got it sitting at 902 again. Google Meta being bought up, giving me a little bit of life right now. Woo!
Yeah. Okay, my bad. Okay. All right. So yeah, I scaled in. I just actually got out of that position on 72. Usually in days like this, I have like a 20 point.
We're ripping. You still?
Target.
Hold on. I don't mean to interrupt you. Okay.
You said contract. I'm up
3 or 2?
2K right now. 3.
3. Okay.
Got 3 contracts right now.
Yeah.
And they're all touching at we're trying to test 918, baby. Let's go. You know I'm not going to show the stop.
918. You know I gotta trail it. I'm in. I gotta trail it. The smart thing. I know. I think I feel the urge that it's going higher. I don't want to get stopped out too soon. I know, but I don't want to get stopped out too soon though. Let's put the. Decisions, 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 decisions. Come on, CL. CL's giving me that dump energy, so NQ needs to pump. Buy Nvidia, buy Apple. Yeah, Apple's the one y'all need to buy. Everybody, go buy you some Apple stock at all-time highs.
I think the guy on Top Step TV was talking about the open interest tonight, saying that with the contract rollover and it being cash settled and stuff like that, like,
Yeah.
the open interest might die down tonight. So if we're thinking like the institutions, you know, their contracts are, you know, I guess, you know, going to be cash settled tonight. Is that a buy? I mean, the market has been pumping. It's been pumping. I mean, they
Stop filled.
already at the bottom already. So I mean, I don't see like a massive dump. I don't see anywhere where it really needs to be rebalanced. Anywhere. I don't necessarily see it, but.
Alright, I just stopped myself out by that on this little pullback. Or I trailed it and got stopped out. I know this is going higher. Or on 1,000 tick, this could be a double top, but I really don't fully believe in that. I think it's, look at this. We're going with the trend this time. We're not looking to prematurely short, even though I'm a bear. We're both bears at heart, but the bear's been getting wrecked a lot this whole year. But this is a good little, nice little significant pullback. Could have got out up here, but you know how that goes. Real-time decisions. We could see support here. Oh, excuse me. We could see support here that was previous resistance. But, ooh, we're down 15 points on this candle right now.
Yep, just for them bears to get stopped out. The bears should be asking the NQ, man, can I just get a pullback? Can I get a pullback?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nah, can't get a pullback for the bull. But yeah, I'm not gonna stop. If this is my stop, it's my stop. I mean, I'm not gonna. Apex is not gonna scare me with its trailing drawdown. It's not gonna scare me.
Yeah, but just be aware of it. Be cautious about it. Look at this drop, though.
Yeah, it happens, man. It happens.
16 points.
I mean, if it hits my stop, then I know that I'm wrong. 'Cause I got my stop in a place where, you know, if it touches it, well, you know, I'm wrong.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's I don't think it does.
I mean, maybe it's still trying to. You gotta remember, we had heavy liquidity here at 900, but the bulls they wanted to get in. They wanted to get their orders in lower. Yep, that's the opportunity to run it up. And
then we got like it's bouncing off of a liquidity void, a liquidity gap on the week. It bounced right off of it at 795. So there's like a liquidity gap right there, and they bounced right off of it.
We're at. Hold on, I'm not looking at my chart. Hold on.
At 95.
95.
Yeah.
We them boys.
So, all right, let me make sure I'm saying the right logo. 809. that was low.
809. So I was looking at 806, previous high before the Powell dump.
Yeah.
I'm like, that would be a beautiful.
It bounced off of 809 this morning, and that's that liquidity void right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And I was thinking, yeah, that could be a beautiful area to long if, you know, they would have to hold that. Especially coming down from these highs. Obviously, you want to catch a short like that. If it dumps all the way down there, whew, that's cash money. But I would definitely look to go long that area. But look at this getting bought back up.
No, that's back up. Yep. Getting bought back up. I mean, you could have went back in and, I mean, I took your profits and scaled in at another position.
Yeah. I mean, this is looking almost like Friday, except a little bit not as slow, I guess you could say.
I guess it's drawing it back up because I mean we gotta look at what happened. I mean, we hit the strong demand on Friday at that bounce. That bounce pumped up. I mean, the market dropped all the way from where was it at?
It was like 8
It
something.
dropped all the way from 884, 887, I think, because it came back and stopped you out like a couple of ticks, then like 87, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then it dropped 253 points.
Yeah.
And in an afternoon, it got bought right back up.
Yeah.
It got bought right back up. It continued into the day.
We just, all right, careful. We just formed a huge doji right there. Huge doji. We might, like I said, we might tap back in here. I think there's this supply has now become demand now. I think.
Yep, I think so too.
I think right here. So I drew a little range between 880, a little 10-point range, 880 and 890. You know, you can obviously adjust that lower if 880, but I think this is now going to become demand. This little area. This 10, 15 point, maybe even 20 point range from 870 to 890, 880. Excuse me, whatever. I just think this area now has going to become the new demand. If we don't, if it doesn't just dump right here, but the charts. Oh, go ahead.
No, if it does dump, I'm gonna scale back in at 66. And my stop is at 52.
I'm gonna move my neck. Because I'm looking for longs right now, for now. But I'm gonna put my next long opportunity at VWAP. Yeah.
I think that's probably the best. Because if anybody's gonna buy something, it's gonna definitely be VWAP.
Yeah. I mean, it could. I'm just looking at this. It could go a little bit lower to touch down here, but I'm thinking, because this would be support. This used to be resistance, but pre-market. So boom, 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 boom. Couldn't break through, and then obviously, boom. We get to the open, we break through, dip back below, more buyers, we pump up. So yeah, this area would be probably my next spot to look to buy if it drops this far. If, and that's a big if.
I think to like 930ish, 920, 930ish.
Yeah, look at this trend. It's just straight up. Kind of looks like Friday.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, actually, let me see if SPY and the Q is positive or negative gamma today. I mean, that would be basically, that would tell us. I mean, remember them SPY calls and like when there was buying
yeah.
They were selling puts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those I believe it was like the 15th or something like that when they were selling those puts in advance. Yeah, those things are well in the money.
Oh man.
Freaking money right now, man. So
making
that's
me
why
want
you always gotta follow the flow.
Making me want to hop back into options. Just kidding.
I would never trade options.
Just kidding.
It's just that,
No, I was gonna say I wouldn't say never. I'm just saying, like, for me personally, let me get these futures. Let's get it right, and then Apex owes me a lot of money, y'all. They owe me a lot of money. So I'm about to take them and do them like the Bulls have been doing the Bears all this year. They owe me a lot of money. So that's why I'm trying to run up Apex, get these payouts from them, and then, I'll look into options in my spare time, SPY. But I'll stick with like the main, unless I'm doing like an earnings play or something. SPY. The Qs have been crazy. The Q outperforms. Yeah, the Q outperformed SPY. What was it, Friday?
Friday.
And that's crazy.
Hell yeah. That does not happen. That does not happen. The Q does, but that's like the ES moving 300 points. NASDAQ only moving 20. Like that's just how crazy. That's how crazy. So the Qs and SPY are both in positive gamma. I'm not selling nothing. I'm not selling anything. I want any pullback, I'm buying. Any pullback, I'm a buyer.
You buying? So go ahead.
Oh no, I'm saying I'm already in 3 contracts and I'm still in the same position 3 contracts.
Yeah, back up to the highs. Yeah, you good. Pullbacks expected to happen. That liquidity. Yeah, you're good. I wish I would have held through that with you, but knowing me, that went all the way back to below my original entry.
It did for mine too. It did.
I know.
It did.
You had more conviction than I did, though. You had more. I mean,
Man.
I wouldn't short this. So we gotta wait. We gotta be patient and wait and see like how I did Friday. Well, I wasn't patient Friday, but I saw the move. The bears will tell you when. You'll get that feeling when it's about to get that super dump, like how I felt Friday when I finally saw that move. I was premature, obviously, on stream, and we were stubborn holding that mess all stream. Jeremy says the Bears making a comeback next year. Well, I think the market tends to sell off end of January, February, and March. Those, yeah. If not the end of January, definitely February, March. You want to look out for the Bears taking control, but I mean, yeah, you'll get an opportunity to make some money on the shorts, but then the Bulls seem to just not care and buy it all back up, and we push higher. And I'm a bear at heart. It's hard being a bear in these bull streets.
The bullish bear.
The bullish bear.
Story of the bullish bear. Every time he buys, he cries because he wants to short, but he knows. He doesn't want to get bent over. He have to beg and plead, like, take it easy. Bid on it at least. Nah, you chose the wrong side. But yeah, the Bears are just
take it easy. Getting clapped. But
that's why we had to switch. It's like, man, like we were kind of short this rally. Like, God damn it, now we gotta be Bulls now.
Yeah.
Or Bears.
I was a bull in 2020 though. You would
have been foolish to be there in 2020. That'd just be foolish.
Everything was just going up. After COVID, the COVID incident, everything was just going up. Everything. I'm like, yo. Summarize. Oh, go ahead.
I think I tried to short Dick Sporting Good on earnings. Man, that thing jumped up. That's just how crazy it was when Dick was actually getting pump action and wasn't getting shorted.
Dick Sporting Goods.
Yeah, I remember like they had earnings. I was like, this gonna be an easy short. And I tried to short it in options, and I lost. And I was just so angry because I was like, what the hell is buying this? Who's buying it?
Oh man. So Apex rules. They pretty much whatever account size you get full access to all your contracts. Their rules are pretty lax that you can trade news events, and it's the same for their evals and same in the funded side. So you can trade news, you can trade until the market closes, the futures market closes. So hold your positions all the way. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, but all the way until the futures market closes. The only thing they have that you got to be aware of is their live trailing drawdown. So they have a trailing drawdown live, and it's based off your account size. So with the 150K account size, for example, I think it's a $5,000 live trailing drawdown. But as soon as you cross that threshold plus $100, it stops trailing. It stops live trailing. It'll just be it switches to end of day. Yeah, end of day. Well, not necessarily. I mean, I guess it's end of day, but you can basically, after you cross that threshold based on your account size, the only way to blow your account is to lose all the way till that. Yeah, go to zero basically. Yeah.
You can go to zero. And I think Top Step is the same way. I think the only one that kind of still does that trailing I don't know if UProfit does it.
Man, UProfits, they're dead to me. They killed themselves with their changes.
Yeah. They did shoot themselves in the head for some reason. I don't understand why. Apex came in and changed it. And I feel like UProfit was the last one to get on board. I guess they were just being stubborn. They felt that they had everybody on lock. And they probably did, but you can withdraw at any time. Like that was their biggest selling point. Like that literally was the only reason why I only did business with uProfit.
Yeah.
When they're trying to hit us with a consistency rule, like who the hell do y'all think y'all are? A consistency rule, and then they try to make it to where it used to be you can get 100% of your payouts up to $8,000, and everything else is like a 90-10 split or 80-20 split or something like that. Now they're trying to make it to where they want traders to hold until 15K, like anybody is in this trading business to do that. We're here to gamble and make our money, not to build our account to 15K. Like, what the hell are you doing?
Gamble responsibly.
Yeah, we gamble responsibly, but let's just, you gotta be honest with yourself, we're gambling. The whole point. So,
you still, this 5 minute looks like it's about to tip over to the downside though, man. Just, you sure you don't want to secure your profits and reposition later?
Nope.
Dude! Yeah, trade day, same day withdrawal. Yeah, I've been, uProfit is a joke. Trade day, yeah, go ahead. Let me.
No, I was saying, like, trade day used to be good, and I was considering going with them until they hit us with the eval. So now it gets to the point. So what's your selling point? Like, we can't have windfall trades with trade day. Like they've already stated in their documentation that any windfall trades will not be paid out. So if you go trying to throw on 20 contracts on CPI or FOMC and actually get lucky, they've already stated that they will not pay that out.
Well, they make you wait the 2 minutes before and after before you can even enter a position on heavy news day. But yeah, it does say windfall trades won't get paid out. I guess yeah, they won't let you trade news until that 2 minutes before and after rule. Apex, you can trade whatever. Like I said, so when you get funded, it's the same thing. Just to answer your question, it's the same thing once you get funded. Same as the eval, same on the funded side with Apex. You have that live trail and drawdown based on your account size. You can trade full contracts if you want. So they give you really the freedom, but they know that most people are gonna go tilt or full port and potentially blow their accounts. I'm gonna hop in one here. I'm gonna hop in one if it touches 89. Maybe I missed it, maybe not. I think this could be the tipping point on this. 15 minutes looking prime for a sell-off. The bulls seem exhausted.
Order filled.
Oh, that is kind of loud. My goodness. Even loud in my ear. I just hopped in a quick short. One, I'm light. Keeping it light. Keeping it light. It would kind of have to break 75 for me to see it going louder. I mean louder. Going lower.
It would have to actually break like 68, 66 for real.
Yeah, but I'm just looking at this 21 EMA on here because it's been bouncing. It's been holding pretty much these EMAs for. That's the 5 minute. Let me check the 1,000 tick. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This could be a head and shoulders on the 1,000 tick. I'm aiming for. Oh, hold on. Let me push that over. I'm aiming for VWAP potential. Yeah, potential VWAP. I'm in one. At 100. Excuse me. Alright, we're down 22 points on this candle. Excuse me, let me get some water. Hey.
Honestly, I mean, I guess if it closes below 76, I just noticed that we are still in an uptrend.
Yeah.
If it breaks this uptrend, it would have to break 71 for it to break this uptrend that price was in. If it holds here, then we're still in an uptrend.
Yeah, oh yeah, still in an uptrend. You get your pullback opportunities when you're in an uptrend. So I'm not super concerned for your position. I just think we may get that before we see a bounce. We could get another VWAP test. but that's down to 856 area roughly. So yeah, VWAP roughly a little bit higher, 858, 859 area. Pre-market highs. We'll call it that. It's at pre-market highs. Yeah, so I'm in the short from 884. It's 940. I'm targeting VWAP. Pre-market highs, a little bit below. I may or may not add in heavy if we get a volume push to the downside, but we'll see. It has to break this area, like you said, this 775, 76 area. Because looking at the 1,000 tick, there's a little like support down here in low 70s, and I want to see it break down. Yeah, and I'd target I'd probably target this area VWAP. But let's see what happens. Let's see. How much time we got on this? 4 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. We're tapping back into this. Maybe see if this hold or acts as resistance here.
Yeah, let's see. Because it has formed. I really don't even want. It has formed a reversal pattern, but I just don't trust it. I do not trust it at all. So let me look at the liquidity for today. Where we at right now? Dang, so yeah, today's a low volume day. That's crazy. We're already about an hour and 30 minutes into the session, and we're only at 200K of volume today.
Yeah, it's this doesn't feel like your typical movements, you know what I mean, that's been going on like in the past couple months. Like, you know, before you can see a big move up, big move down, then big move back up. You know, everybody's eating, everybody's winning. Both sides. Now you gotta kind of like have to pick your battles right now and choose your side, choose your destiny.
This is why I left CL for. This is exactly why I left CL. I go back to her sometimes. I don't know. When NQ starts acting like this, I'm like, yeah, let me see what CL doing. Let me call her up. Tell her I miss her. Like, what you doing, big head?
hey, big head. Call up CL. CL, you didn't even look at the chart, man. You didn't even look at the chart. CL got up. It got up to 70. It pumped. My gosh. This is what I'm talking about. So I was talking to Sherman here about when to set your positions in CL. You got to trade CL from like 4 a.m. anywhere between 4 and 5 a.m. Get in your position for the day, and then you got to be patient and let it ride. Because see, if you'd have got in long CL at like 4:30, 4:45, and just held all day, you could have got in. You could have got in from $71 and rode it all the way up to $74. A $3 move, like just nuts.
I'm looking at this chart, man. I just hate it. Like sometimes I get in this deal sometimes, but on Sundays I try to. I just hate when you're like, you know what? I'm tired of missing these moves. Let's look at the pre-market chart, and then when you get in, the market never does this. It chops you up and you blow your account. So then you say, okay, I hate the fact that I blew the account because I got chopped up. Let me just wait until New York opens.
Yeah.
And then the day that you wait, the market, like, there was literally no resistance. This went straight up, dude. Like, what the hell? What the hell? Where, man, it just be days where it'll chop, and then all of a sudden, on the days when you're not trading pre-market, it just goes straight in one direction.
Yeah.
And that's the most frustrating feeling in the world. It's like, man, I don't want to trade pre-market, but I don't want to miss out on this move.
All right.
Stop fill.
Oops. How do you? Oh yeah, you turn it off here. So that's the stop field. Order filled. All right, we'll turn all that off, guys. So yeah, that should be off. Cool. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. I don't want to butcher your name, but I appreciate it though. Good looking out.
All right, here we go. So
One second, we pushing up.
For right now, held that trend line for right now. It looks like they're buying off the 50 EMA, and the bears are trying to sell off the 21 EMA. So let's see who's going to win this battle. Who wants it more? The 21 or the 50?
21. Oh.
But, I mean, the Bears, come on, Bears. What will you Bears learn?
They haven't taken enough punishment. We haven't taken enough punishment because I'm in this short. We get clapped every day.
Dude, that is a dangerous short. I'm not going to lie to you. That is such a dangerous short.
You think so? Let's see if let's see if it plays out. Gotta give it time. I mean, we just had that 18 on the 15, 3-point retracement, and then now we're here. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for a volume push, y'all. We get a volume push, I'm adding heavy. Not even, I mean, what I consider heavy.
If you look at Bookmap, you can see that, I mean, we've had some dark red blocks. If you look at the bottom, that's like the delta. I mean, it's been mostly green.
Oh! He said I get stressed every time you're in a short. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Oh no! Don't get bought back up. Oh, they were waiting for that. Dang, they were waiting for that.
Man, the delta is green. I mean,
trade.
It's not like the Bulls can't push it, but the delta is green. Yep, from Bears to trap. You trap?
I mean, it's at my back to break even.
You got some decisions to make. I mean, you see that wick. You know what that wick means. You know what that wick means. Some Bears are trapped.
Just bought the dip.
How often you get out of position?
Dang.
The market wants to go up. What does it do? It traps them foolish bears.
Hey.
Like, so what you gonna do?
Hey, I'm still. That was crazy. That was a huge drop, and it just got bought right back up.
Yeah, the bears getting trapped. Dude, everything is green. Y is positive gamma. Q is in positive gamma. On Bookmap, the delta is green. Dude, any pullbacks will get bought up.
Oh, I don't got my delta on this. I should bring it back.
Well, on Bookmap, it's at the bottom of the. It's at the bottom of the screen. Yeah. No, I see that one. Well, he got that thing blocking it, don't he? You see those blocks where it's like green and red blocks? That's delta.
Yeah.
That's kind of like if you have like a footprint chart. That's what footprint chart readers use. They use that to, I guess, to gauge the market direction, like if bulls or bears or like in each candle, which had the heavier volume, sell volume or buying volume. And at the end of the candle, if it's green, that means that the bulls have more volume than the bears. So that's kind of like a little indication or indicator. And it's in green.
Matty Matt says he gets stressed every time. Every time I'm short.
I would get stressed too. Dude. Like, being short.
I know. I said, shoot, me too. Nah, I think we got a little bit of room to run to at least VWAP. At least give me VWAP. That ain't even that far off. And that's being conservative. What if we could drop down to, we got golden fib down here. Well, we'd have to get through the 23% fib because that's usually strong support resistance at 48.45 here. And then we got golden fib, 20 points later. And then we got 806. If it breaks 806, oh yeah, I mean, it could stall out there though, because that'd be a lot of shorting coming down, a lot of points. We're up 56 points on the day so far, 58. I don't know. I think you should look to at least trail your position or break even, stop, something. I think this could push lower before going back up. That's all I'm saying. That's it. That's
I mean,
it.
you're right. I mean, it could. I think it definitely could. But from what I mean, okay. So I mean, obviously, if you get a dump, I'm gonna say, you know what, I wasn't correct in this situation. However, I've seen this play out so many times where, man, if it's not dropping, then it's going up. Because if the Bears don't have it, like at least it will always at least stair step down. But it's not doing that. It kind of feels like it's just collecting orders. But like I said, I mean, it could drop. I mean, I'm just saying what I've seen.
Mm-hmm.
Not dropping, it's going up.
No, I agree with you. I agree. All right, y'all. You know what I just did. You know what I just did. You know it. Yes, sir. But that 8, that might have been the wrong time. The right time probably would have been up here. We got to break down that. 65, 60. Oh, they're buying, selling, buying, selling. Where does that get me to? We're going to 56. What I was looking at, it's another. Let's see.
Actually, let me look at as we sit and watch paint dry, this would be a good opportunity to look at these higher time frames. I mean, so right now, VWAP the highest time frame is sitting at 855.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, like on all the high time frames, it's sitting at that 850 level. So that's probably where the bulls probably want to buy in at 858. Yeah, I guess I could see that. Yeah, on all the time frames are pointing at 858. Every single one. Even on VWAP is even at 858 on the smaller time frames. So that's interesting. That's interesting. VWAP is in the same.
Come on, y'all. Get into this support zone right here at 58. That's what I'm looking for, y'all. I'm looking for 58, 59 bounce, VWAP bounce. That's what I'm looking for. They playing games right now. I did talk about 870. We gotta look left though. We gotta look left. I don't think it's on. Yeah, I was talking about that like right here. This could be support. Let's see.
Oh yeah, so to see, yeah.
Let me check the 5 minute on my trading view. I could see. I don't know. Point of control, maybe they want to take it down there, fill all these orders, then bounce back up. I'm starting to not like it on the 1,000 tick. I definitely don't like it on the 1,000 tick. How that's looking.
I'm looking at this chart right now, and if you look at the left, all that liquidity underneath
yeah, I'm not
72 just got taken, and you see the wicks.
Yeah, I'm not liking that.
Like I said, stay true to your convictions. Put your stop at break even. I'm just saying that. This
it's
looks
already.
Like it's getting bought.
Yeah, I'm not liking it, but of course I'm gonna stick to it. I got no choice right now. I'm targeting VWAP. It's at break even right now. It's at break even, dancing. Doing a little dance. Doing a little dance party. I could see, potential VWAP bounce. I could also see maybe bouncing at 850, 51, 52. But yeah, Matty Matt, stressing, nervous that hopefully this works out. I mean, it makes sense to me, but let's see. I'm trying to give it room to play out, give it room to run. Come on, Bears. We need you. I need you. I need you right now. I need you, Bears.
You can try to thank for it.
Baby, come back. You could blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just want to break even. Actually, we're at break even. I just want to hit my targets.
That's the only thing that matters.
I was wrong.
Okay, so I mean, it's getting so I don't dude. Yeah, you can probably get a VWAP, but the 200 EMA, the VWAP is right there, right in the same spot. The Bears would have to come in, and the Bulls would have to give it up. If we break below that, if we break below that, I'm gonna go. I'll be looking for sure.
I'm not asking for too much here, y'all. On the 60K, just give me VWAP. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Is VWAP. It ain't that much. A little $1,400 action right there. That ain't too much to ask for. Come on now, Bears. Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Come on, Bears. Actually, you know what I'm going to do, right? I got to see us get...
Dude,
I got to see us get lower. I'm not going to add. No. I got to... Come on, Bears. Don't let these freaking Bulls buy it back. Do not do that. Nice, Cameron. Nice. I'm glad it's been easy and hopefully not as stressful as I am right now in this short. This short makes me nervous. Come on. Let me check the 15. Do I gotta start talking dirty to you? Do I gotta start disrespecting you?
Bitch that she is.
Oh.
They bought up the 200 EMA at 860. Yep. 866. The 200 EMA is at 64.
I'm just looking for a VWAP.
Slowly.
I'm just looking for a VWAP. Tap, baby. Just go in there and tap it. Just tap it. That's all I'm looking for, man. I'm not asking for too much, NQ. I'm not asking for too much. I'm being conservative. Just go in and tap it. Just give me a tap, and that's it. And I'm out. I'll probably be done after that.
That was a lie you gotta tell her. I'll be done afterwards.
I'll be done. I promise you. Tap. That's it.
Done.
Double tap. Look, I got it. Oh, come on. My shorts have been suspect as heck right now. Oh my. Actually, I started off here, but then I added heavy here, thinking we got that push down. Thinking we were going to see that push down right there. Oh, yeah. Let me turn you back up. I forgot. I cleared the audio. I think you were...
No, you're talking about me?
Yeah. There you go. That should be better.
Oh, I can be heard again.
You can be heard now. This thing is playing with me. God, and I hate... Nah, oh, ES. What are you doing, ES? Stop buying up ES. What are y'all doing, ES? Okay, we dropped 3.5, and then this is... How much was that down? What's the low? 83. 86 to 83, so that was 3 points. I gotta watch the cues. I gotta watch freaking ES. I gotta watch.
I mean, man, you like looking at this thing, you might get the VWAP touch. Like, dude,
Just
it
tap.
just seems like nobody is not going to give it up. But VWAP
865.
is now at 860 now, so I'm hoping making their target up.
This, I know, right? I should. They got liquidity at 65. I'm looking at book map here. It's like you said, both sides looking. They're fighting for their lives right now. I'm fighting for my fucking life right now. At least let me take some of this. I want to take the risk off of the. Hold on. This is nasty movements right now. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. Then we got 50. We got 50 moving average on that 854. Give me my target. Give me my tap. Give me my tap.
There we go.
Thank you. All right, now the pressure's off. Okay. Thank you. All right, we're up 3,400 today, fam. We're up 3,400. I got one left on the table, and it's probably about to get bought back up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. We're out. I'm a little punk. I cut it. We got what I wanted. Oops, hit my mic. We got what I wanted. I cut it. We got what I wanted. Thank you, NQ. I appreciate that, baby. Thank you. Cause you could have been a
nice sometimes.
You could have been a dirty girl, and you could have said, I'm gonna miss you by a tick, and we're gonna run up. Oh man, yes. Oh, I'm done. I'm done after that. I mean, I wanted to pass in one day, but I don't like it. I don't want to push my luck. I've been trading actually pretty okay today. Hasn't been this drop. This told me, so when we were looking, if you cut all this off, right? If we were looking right here, this was kind of telling me to enter a short position somewhere up there, but I just didn't take it until obviously way down here. But yeah, yep, pre-market high was right here at the 0 line, and it just happened to coincide with VWAP, and it just tapped it and bounced. She gave me what I wanted. She was my friend. Thank you. That's all I was looking for, baby. Just a tap. Just a tap. Alright. I'm going to push that over some. So we've been going down for, let's see, if you want to count this candle, 5, 10, 15. Then we had a green candle there, 5, 10, 15, 20, another 20 minutes. So, but look how much work it took just to get that. And then I can, I don't even want to talk about it. How stressed it had me in there on that short. So I'm gonna just say real quick. So I got in that short here at 884.50. It dropped. It did bounce here off the 21 EMA, went back up, rejected the 9 EMA, and then we got our slow stair step down to VWAP. And whatever happens here, Sherman, I'm rooting for you. You still in your long? Where are you long at? What's your?
Think of it. I'm long like 65. My stop is at 52, so I'm at break even.
Okay.
It's apex. It went all the way up.
Oh yeah, that drawdown. Yeah, be careful of that. Be careful of that drawdown.
Yeah, like remember, this reminds me of that day when I was up 8K and I let all that come back down at the FBA account.
Yeah, man, you can't be doing that. You can't be doing that. You gotta take them profits.
This is why I don't necessarily care for Apex, because I'm that person that I want my target. I want it.
You gotta take them
and
profits.
If I see the drawdown, I'll take the drawdown. I want my target.
I know you want your targets. You gotta take them profits though, bro. You gotta take them profits. Like that's been my I've given up on stream. I was up 50 points on one contract and I gave up half. I gave up 25 points basically. I should have took that. But in the moment, I know how it is in the moment. I know how it is. You want your
Yep.
targets. You want everything. Oh, look at that drop. We just got back below. Well, we just
VWAP.
broke below VWAP, but it could be.
Mhm.
I don't know. I don't even know anymore.
Yeah, I'll let it take it at 51 if it gets down here. I'll let it take it, man. God dang it. Hopefully it doesn't.
I mean, you could look for a reposition after this sell-off.
Yeah.
Kellen's long 860. Okay, so he's right there with you. He's right there with you.
It's looking like I should be short right now. That's what it looks like right now. But I mean, we're at VWAP.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Come on, bro, don't do that.
Let me measure this move real quick. I'm out. I'm completely out. I'm flat. She hit my targets. This is about a 50-point drop from wick to wick, roughly 49.5 points. So I mean, that could be a significant pullback. Collect all these buy orders for us to take it back up. There's liquidity, heavy liquidity at 850. What I'm seeing on Bookmap though. But you know, usually with like 50-point drops, 50, 60, you know, they sell
They
or
usually get bought back up.
yeah, they sell or pump hard, and then the opposite team comes in and does their thing. So it's just slow right now. What's up with these Mondays? Like, it's just not how it. This is why you have to adjust. This is not how it used to be. Just a few months ago. I mean, I get it. We're at the end of the year, so things might slow down. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go, Bulls.
Hopefully.
Yep. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, I mean, a better play at the time was VWAP, but yeah, I should have got in. I was kind of impatient on it. Well, okay, so this is to kind of recap my trade. I was up about 20, 21 points on 3 contracts. I chose not. I chose not to take it because I didn't want it.
So, okay. Yeah, Sherm. So we got the risk managers asking. He said, "What happened to Sherman saying it's all going up? I've seen this before. Where's the confidence?" He's about to hop
it's going
in
up. I'm still in my long, baby.
He's still holding. He took a 50-point drop and he's still holding. It's at his break even right now. You said you're long from 865. That man gave up like 50 points just now. So here's what I'm seeing. It's gonna flip. Eventually this is gonna flip. The sellers, they sold it off, but they only managed to get 50 points, right? So far, as of right now. And 5-minute is look like it's might be setting up to flip for the buyers to come back in. But I mean, obviously we gotta wait and see. But from what I'm looking at, we could flip somewhere around here. Either between 840, so I got point of control at 842 on my trading view chart. Bookmap point of control is like right here, right now, along with VWAP. But on my trading view, I got point of control at 843. So I mean, it could go into that and then run. But like I said, only time will tell. But I'm done trading these for right now. Like we made 30. We made 3,300. Yeah, I'll take that. I will take that. They asked if we got a Discord. Sherman, do we have a Discord?
I mean, it's getting set up.
Yeah, we're working on it, guys. It's
getting set up.
Yeah, it's all of this stuff takes a lot of time. Like, that's why I was late setting up this stream, trying to make sure everything's right. And then I had technical difficulties I think last week. One of my monitors wasn't connecting. I'm like, yo, you gotta be kidding me. Market's about to open. Yeah, I think it was just a loose connection though. We got it all. Caught that short from the top. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I wasn't necessarily at the top. I was kind of in the middle, but let's go. That's what I'm talking about. So I went in, I started with 1 contract, scaled in 5, so I was in 6 total. And then she did what I wanted to do. She tapped VWAP, and and I was done. That was it. I wasn't expecting anything too much lower. Bulls, yeah, I agree with you, man. Future wealth. This action right now. It took forever to go down here and get that. The Bulls might blitz it back up though. I feel like the Bulls got more power in this right now. Obviously.
Yeah, this was basically a pullback. I mean, it was kind of too high to buy. It was. It was kind of too high to buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the Bulls can come back and.
I mean,
go ahead, man. I was just gonna say they could come back and run this up easy. Look at them. They already doing it. They could run it. Look at this.
I mean, VWAP was 58 on the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So I was like, dude, I was like, man, they're gonna probably get the VWAP. Cause like, this is my first time ever seeing VWAP the same number on all time frames on every single one. Well, at least I'm back in the green now. At least I'm back in the green. I can think my position got as high as yeah, where was I at? Yeah, I was at 65-ish. I was in this position since 8:57. It got all the way up to 9:03. You know, I didn't take that. I ate all that drawdown, and now it's coming back up. I'm not taking that. I want my damn target. I mean that shit. I want my target.
I know. We shoot for targets.
I will eat it.
You will eat
I
that.
want my damn target.
We shoot for targets around here. That's why we be so stubborn, man. We be shooting for our targets and they miss it by a point or a tick. You know how frustrating that is?
Yeah.
That's the most.
It definitely is.
That's happened to me so many times. You'd think I learned my lesson to move my target just above or below where I'm actually hoping for. But it's like, no. Give me my target. There you go.
Because it always does that.
There you go, Bulls.
Like 10 points above. It's like, dude, like you just get tired. Like, you know what? I'm just gonna hold. So yeah, so right now, you know, I'm up. I'm back up because I had profits from this morning. I almost hit the daily freaking.
Sure.
I almost hit it.
Sure.
I ain't gonna lie, I almost hit it.
Are you watching the chat?
No.
Oh, Matty.
What did it say?
Matt. He's like, the year is 2025, and Sherman is still waiting for his target.
You damn right. Are we all waiting for GTA 6? Are we all waiting for GTA 6 in 2025? And then when the market finally hits my target, I'll have enough money to buy GTA 6. I'll have enough money to buy it until I get my damn target.
Oh, shoot. Oh, but be aware of this 880 area, though, because it was previous.
It is the underbelly of this range. Yeah, it was.
Just
I ain't gonna lie.
be cautious, bro. If you gotta take your profits, you're up. If you gotta take, if you gotta take your profits, take your profits. We are waiting for GTA 6, though, boys and girls. We are waiting for GTA 6. It's been like a million years since they released the last one. They always do this. Rockstar. It looks amazing. That trailer, whew, it looks amazing.
Yeah, it's actually it's pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
I mean, real life is starting to emulate GTA, but yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. And we back in Vice City. Back in Vice City, baby.
I mean, Florida has all the great material. Like, everything that can happen happens in Florida.
Yep.
It is a crazy place to live in. It's crazy. It is definitely crazy. I lived in West Palm Beach and Lakesworth, and man, it is crazy down there.
Yeah. You always hear about the Florida man.
Yeah. I mean, if you think about it, I mean, there's really nothing to do in Florida. Like, if you're trying to go to Florida and look for real employment, you're highly unlikely not to find it. Because there is like I guess Florida's supposed to be this retirement state, and you're not going to find real employment in Florida. That's why I moved.
Florida man.
And that's why everybody's crazy, because nobody has a job. No one works. It's like, dude, I got the whole day. I got a whole 24 hours to do nothing. Let's mess some stuff up.
Except doing drugs, meth. Yo, we got an 80 order block that just got tapped into at 880 and a half. But it's not looking like it's dropping it right now. We already hit into 10 o'clock. I forgot about that. I do think it's pushing high. What's your target at? Where's that? Yeah, let's start there. Where's your target? You said 918.
918 is one of my targets.
One of them? How much you think that's just going up? I mean, look.
I think it goes all the way up to like the 936 probably.
Before,
maybe.
so
I mean, that's a run.
Yeah.
That's a runner target.
Okay. So before you hopped on, I mean, we are getting volume push. Before you hopped on, though, I was talking 950. I was talking. Hey, don't get any ideas though. But I was saying we could possibly see 950 and maybe higher. Look at these bulls. Look at them go.
Hey, hold on. Talking shit in the chat. Who was talking shit in the chat? Talking about where's that bullish action? Here it is, baby. Here it is. It's just I was a little bit too early at go. That's it. But yeah, one of my targets. My target is actually at 918. I got one at 936.
That's the runner. Look at this. Oh yeah, they taking that. They taking that.
Oh yeah, them highs want to get touched.
Look how long it took the Bears to struggle just to tap VWAP, and then the Bulls bring it back in 15 minutes. Mm-hmm. In 15 minutes.
I'm just glad to see my boy Smith win. I mean, I would hate to have been right and him been wrong. I mean, we both got to win. I was going to hold my position regardless.
We all could eat, baby. We all could eat. I'm saying, though, be cautious around this area. I think they I think they got it.
Man, they got it. The Bulls got this, man. We ain't, like, dude, I'm going back to what I said. The spies, the Qs, everything positive, delta, and gamma. Dude, this is not, you're not getting shorts in this.
Here's my trading view, y'all. Here's what I saw. Let's move this out of the way. Here's what I saw. We struggled down here. We tapped into VWAP. And then we pushed. Push. King push. Oh my gosh, look at this. Dang, I should have hopped in long with you at I should have hopped in long at VWAP. That would have been crazy, though.
Like, dude, like, man, look, dude, it's like, when have you ever seen VWAP the same level on all time frames? Dude, I did scale in that VWAP, I'm not gonna lie. But,
how many you in right now? 4?
You know how much I scaled in. You know how much I scaled in.
How many you scaled in?
6.
This man, you in 7 contracts right now?
No, I mean, obviously, they got filled on that pump, baby. You know what got filled?
Okay. So you took some profit off the top, or?
Yeah, right now, I'm just in 4 contracts right now.
You were in as much as 7?
No, about like 12 or 11.
12? What the Yo! You over there silent, didn't say nothing.
Well, hold on. I did say I'm getting that VWAP. I got in that VWAP.
Okay. Hey, take some off. I
already did. Like right now, I'm only once it hits this target at 905, I'll only be in 3 contracts.
Okay, man.
I'll be in 3 contracts. Nah. Yeah. And that's the thing with Apex, man. I got all that power. You know it's gambling season, baby.
Yo, no
this is
way.
Why it's called NASDAQ Anonymous. We know we're gamblers. We just gamble responsibly, but we just gamble responsibly.
Do y'all hear this, man? Yo, you said you in how many right now? 4 or 3?
No. I scaled in like 6 or 7 contracts at VWAP because I know it's gonna bounce. they're all off the table now. Shoot. With this pump, I took some profit. I'm not gonna do what I did the last time and hold all those contracts and let it come back down on me. Blow the account necessarily.
Yeah. Cause this on the 5 minute could be a potential. You know how it does. Could be a double top and not break the highs. Or I mean
I doubt it, dude.
I'm kind of wishing I was in this with you though from down here. But yeah. Hey, you thought I was the risky one? Yeah, this dude, that was nuts.
Nah, see in Apex, I mean this is why I trade places like that limits my contracts because I already know I'm gonna jump in, dude. I'm jumping in, and I'm gonna go 6 contracts. That was something I had to fix. Like I didn't let it play out or nothing. If it hit my level, I'm going in 6 contracts off rip.
You starting to sound like me out here.
Rip. I mean that's what I mean. Like I said, man. This is why I switch between Apex and Top Step. So I can keep a balance because I hate trading that way to where I have to get big moves, but it's great. It's a great feeling when you can get like a 90-point move on 1 or 2 contracts, but that's only what 34. That's only $3,400. And I had to sit through drawdown, heartache, chop, pullbacks because it didn't go straight up to 90 points. It did all that to get to your target. And that's kind of stressful though.
Yeah.
And it's only for $3,400 now, but you have multiple contracts. I can get that same amount in like what 5 contracts at 20 points. 27 points is like what 540. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like what 6 contracts.
Yeah.
With 27 points, that's the same amount. I mean, obviously I'm putting more risk up front, but I'm getting the same amount. So it's without all the heartache and stress and stuff like that. Cause
yeah,
yeah, the NQ will age you, dude.
Oh yeah.
NQ will age.
Yeah. They be you
like this right here. Like my target was at 905, and she dead stops at 903. This is the toxicity that we talk about. She could have hit 905.
Yeah. Yeah, you go to your doctor's appointment and be like, man, your blood pressure's up, everything. What have you been doing?
I date somebody, her name is the NASDAQ 100. She's one hell of a drug. She's one hell of a drug.
So y'all looking, yeah, y'all looking at my screen. I took 7 trades today. All winners, no losers, thank goodness. Only $39 in fees and commissions. This was an efficient trading day for me so far. Am I done? I mean, we're not going to discuss that because she is a hell of a drug, but I don't know. Potential double top though on this 5 minutes, so just be aware of that. Potential double top. Do we break this or do we, drop down from here and then run maybe? Or get a real pullback. That was the slowest pullback I've ever witnessed. It took so long just to get. That's why that short had me stressing. And then look what the Bulls do in 15 minutes. They just bring that mess right back up. Heavy liquidity sitting at 902 on Bookmap. And then we got liquidity at 882 for the Bulls, the buyers.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's what I did. God.
This will have this man Sherman sitting in this position all day, like Friday. Was it Friday? Yeah, he's sitting in MS all day. So okay, here's this potential scenarios. This could be just a light little pullback. We did just have 15 minutes of buy-in. Let's go from I'm gonna measure that move up. That move up was 46 points from wick to wick. So this could be just a light pullback before we continue running. Obviously though, you still want to be cautious around here. Took it over to the 1,000 tick. VWAP held up, pre-market high held up. Let's move this over. Just move it along. We never got down to the lows, so be cautious. We're in New York lunch right now, so it's 11:30 almost in New York. So do be careful, just in case we get. Remember what happened around 11:30 Friday. Be careful about that. The Bears could come in and take over before we go higher.
I think if this gets down to like 82ish,
get
70,
out. get out?
I want to scale in.
Oh. This man, Matty Matt was right. You're going to be waiting 2025 to hit your target. He said, no, I'm going to scale in. That's wild.
I'm going to scale in, dude. I mean, you don't get buyers like that and expect price to go down. I mean,
yeah,
this is going up.
This dude, wild. You better
I mean,
than
it's
me.
stair step down and then elevator itself right back up. No, this is going up. This is targeting something.
Yeah.
Because this was Bear's opportunity to sell this down, and they did not.
True. That's a good point. And then, like you said, you trust the order flow, right? All that order flow into January.
Yeah, well, at the time it came in, I trusted it. I mean, they could have cleared the positions, but right now, it's the SPY, the Qs are sitting in positive gamma, so that means that there's more buying than selling.
Yo, the risk managers in the chat are hilarious. Hilarious. They say you're going to be in this position for the rest of the year.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to get up to 930? Man, I guess that's what the risk manager's supposed to say.
Yeah.
They're supposed to say, oh, get out of the position.
Yeah.
Get out of the position.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah.
Man, just supposed to be it's supposed to stop us from gambling.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, the 930 is a runner target. I'm really shooting for 918. That's my target. I think we get to 918.
918. Hey, I'm with you on that. That's doable. That is doable.
I think so, especially if you run these highs. Especially if these highs get ran, that's definitely doable. Now, if I do see a rejection at these highs, like if it fails to close above these highs, then I know that this was just a run up to rebalance that area, and I'll get out. But if I see that close above, oh boy, I'm scaling anything.
Apex just makes you, I don't know.
It's the freedom, dude. Like this, without restriction. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's a gift from the curse. It's a gift from the curse. Now, if I was up 12 contracts at those highs, then yeah, that account might have been gone. Ah, shit. Well, because I mean, it went up 20 to 30 points, and then it came back. And if I was in 12 contracts or 6 to 12, I mean, I don't know what is that. 30? About that would have been like 6K right there. I mean, I would have took that. I would have took that. I wouldn't let that come back. But I'm trading light. I was only in 3 contracts, I think, at the time.
Mm-hmm. Bulls got some work to do to break the low 900s, but I think they do it. Look at this push. We're back into 900. Come on, Bulls. Let Sherman hit his targets. Let's get Sherman his target so he could prove the risk managers that he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about, risk managers. I know.
No, I agree. We could see, like I said, before you hopped on it here, I was, before the end of this day, we could see 950. 940 minimum, 950. Oh, I got something in my eye. 950.
Yeah,
let's break this. Because what more?
If we don't do it today, then it's definitely happening tomorrow.
Right.
Or overnight.
Yeah.
But like I said tonight, I guess we have to just pay attention to the open interest because I think the contract finally expires tonight, if I'm not mistaken. And that's going to affect the open interest. So we'll see. We'll see if new money gets put into the market, and we'll see that if the market goes up. If people close out their positions and nobody else, gets back in, we'll see the market go down. So we'll see.
Yeah, this 60K chart is in a straight uptrend though. This higher time frame uptrend. I was thinking about adding a 2000 tick chart to it, but I don't know. I got the 1000 tick.
I mean, I've kind of tested it out. I mean, I think the highest that I got from the 1000 is the 3K, and that's like a medium. Like that's in the middle between I guess that's kind of maybe similar to a daily chart. I think. I found well, nah, I wouldn't say that.
What, a
But I
2000?
got a 3K. No, I got like a 3.
Oh, a 3K.
37. Yeah, like a 3 or 37K. Just to kind of reference to see.
Oh, 37K. No, I'm talking about like a 2K
Or
or 3K.
I'm sorry. I apologize. 3,700.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
apologize.
Okay.
3,700.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. So I
Yeah.
said I was thinking about adding it too on my I think on my recap.
Yeah, the Bulls got this, man. The Bulls got this. Come on, baby. Keep on pushing.
Yeah, gotta break these highs, Bulls. Break these highs,
I'm up
Bulls.
4K right now. I'm up 4K.
Nice, nice. Let's keep some of that though, okay? let's be smart and keep some of it. If it don't hit your target, don't be mad at her.
Oh, I'm gonna be mad at her. And I'm gonna call her a bitch afterwards. Like, you could have did that.
Okay,
so it broke the highs and then wicked down. Let's see.
it tapped you one out, right? You in 3 now?
Yeah, I'm in 3.
All right, we in 3. I'm with you on this. Come on, let's hit these targets. 904, 50 order block here. Just got pushed. Next order block is 910. 85 orders sitting there.
I don't say that. Oh yeah, okay. I see. I see that. Let's see if these Bulls can do it. I mean, but like I said, it has to close. Actually, I'm actually looking at my 37. I'm on the wrong time.
Let's get it added.
let's
I'm
see.
gonna take off ES. Here's my old ES chart. I can use ES for on TradingView. So let's go NQ NQH. Let's change this to.
So let's see what it does. Let's see. Should I take some of this off? Okay, so we broke the highs. We broke it.
Where are you at? I'm not looking. Be careful of 910. I would probably set either just below or just above 910, just in case it breaks 910, wicks up, and then drops.
Yeah, probably do that too. They'll probably definitely do that, and I'll be devastated, Chad. I'll be devastated.
Of course.
I would be devastated because I'm up 4K, and I think I got 25 unrealized. So, Apex counts that.
Yeah, man. So you gotta protect yourself. You gotta be smart and protect yourself just in case. We just hit 908.
Yeah. And then it kind of dropped a little bit. Okay.
Yo, Jeremy, are you still holding this? So you bought at VWAP. You still in it?
Hopefully she doesn't do me dirty. Hopefully she continues up.
Okay.
Hopefully she don't do me dirty.
Let's get her set up properly, shall we? Oh, he's still in it. So you brought around VWAP. That's like 860. We'll call it. Well, I'll ask you where's your entry at, but let's say it's at 859, 860. How many points is that run up? That's like
30. Or not 30. So if you got it at 860, yeah.
Yeah,
about
you
like
up
30.
you up like 47 right now, almost 50. If you got in at 859, 860 roughly. You up like 47, almost 50 points. Nice work. Nice work.
And that's what happens when you join our trade, man. We don't, like, us compared to other traders. Yeah, they can keep their 4-point targets. They can keep their 100-tick targets. Like, no, we don't do that around here. You want points. We want points. You see us all day not even taking 20 to 30 points. No, because that's what we're used to. No, we want 50 and up. Now, like, my goal has been trying to get like 90-point targets. Like, I really want to start trading how these institutions trade. Like, they have like maybe 10 lots, and all 10 contracts is going up 100 points. From what I've seen, the market, the NQ moves in like increments of like from top to bottom, 30 to 40 to 50 points. But the big moves are at least 250 points. At least.
Yeah.
I want to start getting 250-point moves, and that just requires kind of being in a position all day. So that's kind of what I've been working on.
Template moves. Yeah. No,
I mean, like what on a 200-point move? Oh, I was about to say, did this shit drop? No, I think this is. We'll see.
Oh, it's
We'll
right
see
there.
what
Okay, I'm tripping. I'm like, I done forgot where to freaking edit my bars and stuff. So I'm gonna take this, copy that, and then we're gonna put this over to the 2000 tick.
happens. So if you stay in a position that touches 250 points on 10 contracts, you made 50K minus commission.
Ooh.
50K.
Ooh.
That's what I want to start doing. I want to start getting them 250 point targets.
I'm so mad I'm not in this with y'all. I'm so mad. This could have been a pass in one day. Dang, this could have been a pass in one day. You shorten this, Jack? I don't know. I mean, this is... I don't know. It could still run up before we see the big short, though. I don't know.
I mean, I wouldn't short it. I would not short this at all.
We know you
scalp
still...
it.
Yeah, you can scalp it. We know you've been waiting on your target for...
I've been waiting for this target since
1
2003, man.
million years, yeah. What did I have that on? Let's apply, save. All right, we starting to look right here. It's kind of hard to see what do I have that as? Let's go to that. I'm just setting up the 2K chart. Buy fills, profit trade. Yes, sir. The trend is your friend until it isn't.
The trend is your friend until it ends.
Yep. Until the end of time. Let's see. Buy fills, profit trades, sell. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't be shorting this now. Your short opportunity was back here. Yeah, I wouldn't be shorting this because
Yeah, the 15K chart is looking hella bullish, man.
Yeah.
Hella bullish.
Yeah, same with the 15 minute is looking like that as well. We could see a little bit of support here. I mean, we've seen it these past candles here. Break that 9-10 liquidity and then we push up. So here's what I think, because you know how we get them violent moves up, we wick up or whatever, and then from all that sell pressure it could dump after that. So
oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for, is that wick up. If I see a wick up, I'll get out of this position.
Okay, thank you, thank the good Lord. All right. You say that, but I know you. I know how you are.
No. I'm gonna get out, dude. I mean, I gamble, but I'm not foolish. I'm foolish. I gamble responsibly. If I see a break of structure in a close above it, I'm holding that. I might scale in. If I see a break of structure and a wick down, then I know that was just a liquidity sweep and it's going lower.
Okay, Jeremy, you got out. Yeah, I could. That's understand. That's commendable. I understand. Hey, I understand. So it looks like you still solo right now, Sherm. I don't know. It's the boring part, right? And then remember, we're getting closer and closer to lunch. You know that. Well, New York is already in lunch, but that 11 o'clock for us. 11 to 12 o'clock range, 10:50-ish. You know how they like to do. They get that reversal.
You don't think this is the reversal?
This here, at 10 o'clock, with this bounced off VWAP?
You don't think that's a reversal?
But that was a slow grind down.
Yeah, it reversed, did it not?
I mean, yeah, it did, but I'm saying...
That's a reversal,
oh,
man.
Shoot. Where's your next? How many cons? Okay, how many cons are you in?
3.
Where's your next?
I'm in 3.
Okay, 3.
My next, it's still at 18, and I got a runner. Well, I made that mistake again where I exited out of one of my contracts, so it's still live, but it's just no target or stop with it.
Okay.
Unfortunately, you know, I kind of hated I did that because I would have scaled out of one at the high. I would have scaled out of one, but Just gonna let it ride, baby, and see what happens.
Can you at least move your stops up just in case? That would make me feel
No.
better. No, he said no. We got to break 910. That's where some liquidity is sitting. Let's move it up. Yeah, we got an 82 order block at 910. The next one, they moved it up to 917 and a half. 100 and something orders sitting up there. So we may get this push through 910 and then try that level up there. Let's see.
I mean, they bought that VWAP. I mean, like I said, it was like, man, that VWAP was on all time frames. Every single one. That means something. When do you ever see that?
What does
you
that
don't
mean?
see it. I was like, yeah, you might be right. They're trying to get the VWAP. And that's why I scaled right back in at VWAP, because I was like, dude, this is going higher. But that VWAP meant something. So I was like, okay. I'm at my break even. I think I went negative for around like, 4, 5, 6 points, 7 points maybe.
Yeah.
And I scaled right in that VWAP when I saw price stop. I was like, yeah, let me scale right in right here.
We just pushed, we pushed 909, 75, almost 910. We missed it by a tick. And then the sellers came in.
Did it drop?
It hasn't. We're at 905 right now, sitting at 905. But.
So this is what I'll do. This is where I'll move my stop.
Move your target
I'll move it
to 915.
No,
move your target to 915.
I'll move my stop to 894.
Okay, 894. Okay.
That's like 10 points.
Where's your new break even? Your new entry? Sitting at.
Remember, it's still at 60. Well, it was at 60 when I scaled in. It moved up to 68. So.
Okay, so you're in at 68. Let's map this out, everybody. I'm gonna follow his trade. I'm not hopping in nothing. I'm done for the day, but I'm gonna follow his trade on the charts. So you said you were at.
My original entry was at 360, and I scaled in at like 58 at VWAP, which pushed it up for some reason. I don't know why, but I scaled in 6 contracts. Actually, okay, that's what happened. So on that first pump up, I scaled in and I trailed, and then I took profits as it retraced. And then that second tap of VWAP, I bought again, and that's the position I was holding the whole time. So it brought it up from 660 to 68.
Okay.
I'm holding it.
Okay.
I mean, I moved my stop up to 95. I moved it.
So okay, your entry though is at, you said 68, 868. Now.
My original entry was at 60, and now my break even now is at 68. Yeah.
68. All right, we're gonna map that out here. All right, so that's his entry now. So it's pretty good. You're in 3 cons. You said 3 contracts.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 contracts. Holding. He wants his target. I know how he feels. They are playing around with you right now, though. We broke 810, or we cracked into 810, or excuse me, 910. We cracked into that, waiting on this push back up. I know the Bulls got it in them. I know they do.
Hopefully they don't need to come back and take no more orders to do it and stop me out.
Yeah, but you said you got your stop at 95 now?
94 now.
Okay.
So what is that, like, that's 8, 6, about 13 point stop.
Okay.
13, 14.
Got your stop there. Well, at least it's protected in case we get any crazy drop. You get out with something. Now, the question is, if it dumps and stops you, are you going to reposition, re-enter?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Probably. But no. So.
Yo, they said you probably lying about your stop like you did Friday and left me hanging. Hey, I got no skin in the game right now. But that was because he did that. So okay, Jeremy, he did that to protect me because he did that. He knew I would have followed right along. He knew. So I appreciate that from you, but then at the same time I'm a little pissed because I could have held through that with you, but I understand.
I mean, shit. I mean, because I didn't like, dude. He's in a funded account, man. It was just I don't trade my XFAs on certain in certain days. I don't trade it because I don't want to deal with this bullshit, especially Friday. It was crazy. So I mean, if I blew the account, I blew the account. I mean, it was just an eval. It was just to have fun.
Yeah.
I was gonna move it up. Man, if that account blew, I was like, well. I mean, that's what happens. You gotta sacrifice the account to the NQ so she can do right by your real account.
She does require a sacrifice.
She requires an account sacrifice.
An account sacrifice. Wow, there you go.
Have you come to offer? Hold on, is it going?
It hit 912, dude. 912. It's playing bro. This is stressing me out, and I'm not even in it. Take your.
You're in it with me.
Get out.
No. I want my damn card.
We're at it's 10:45 right now. We're so close to that New York 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. drop. I don't like it. Now I do think it can push up and then get that drop, but the action sucks right now. I don't like this price action. All right, the bull's about to prove me wrong. Call me a pansy, and I'm not even in it. But where you said you're aiming for 918. Gosh, it hit 1375.
Man, she's just doing that just to do it because she's watching the stream. You know I traded CL last week. You know I was all up in CL's bed last week, and she knows it. Trading CL, getting paid. She's like, oh, you like to trade other instruments? Okay, I got this for you.
So,
it would be funny if she gets to like 917 and just completely drops.
Poetic justice. Like, okay, I got something for your A. All right. You want to trade other instruments, huh? You want to look at other CL? You want to look her way? Okay.
I was bearish, baby. You were bullish. I was bearish.
We did.
I was bearish. But yeah, going like, dude, I didn't want you to move your style with me, cause I mean, obviously it would have worked out that time, but 85 was a good spot. I mean, what it tapped 87 and then dropped.
Yes, it did. So we had it at 985. We had it at 85, and I was moving it as price would go lower, come near it. I would, because all my stops are trailing stops. So I would move it back to 85, and it finally hit, and stopped me out by 2 point. Oh, Sherm. Oh.
I saw it.
914. 914. Oh shoot. Oh.
She's playing with me right now.
All right, come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls.
Risk managers. I want to hold this, baby. I know I'm up 40 points, and I know I'm risking 40 points for what, 2 or 3 or what?
Yeah, it hit. It hit
$200.
Yeah, it hit 914 and dropped. You were only 4 points away.
Come on, Bulls. Don't make me look foolish on this stream. Not in front of the risk manager. I need to prove the risk manager's wrong.
It said, Jack said on your gravestone, it says, "I want my damn target." Oh, this is hilarious. That is so true. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious.
I mean, shit, we all want to be right.
I want my damn target.
I want to make money and be right. I want it all.
Oh shoot. Oh man. Okay, Cameron went short at 914. 914. I mean, I get it. Oh. Alright, where's your stops at? Just in case, where's your stops? You still kept them at the same?
Fine.
Oh, that's dirty. What are we doing? What are we doing now? Let's talk this through. What are we doing? Are we holding or are we
I
cutting?
moved my stop up to 98. I moved it to 98.
Okay. 98. Where was I on here? I was on the 5.
Let's see what she does.
98.
Let's see what she does. Don't. Oh my god.
Watch it drop and then go high, run higher. Okay, Bulls. Okay, Bulls. This is the 2000 tick. Yeah. Okay, Bulls. Let's check the 5 minute. Dude, it might stop you. It might stop you out. It might stop you out before running higher. Yeah, she might stop you out and then run higher potentially. Oh man. They say you ain't got no stops. You playing around.
The chat, the risk manager's trying to act like they know me. Don't act like y'all know me. Don't act like my stop is still at the original spot at 9:52.
Okay, Bulls. Okay, Bulls. Come back. Come back.
Yeah. What do we say, baby? Either it's hitting my stop or it's hitting my target, baby. There's no in between. Okay, let's see if the Bulls can get it. Let's see if they'll feel me. Let's see if NQ will be very merciful and not drop right here. Yeah, London's about to close in the next 9 minutes. So let's see how London's gonna close out. Yeah, the NQ has a knack for doing this for some reason. It struggles, and then all of a sudden after the target is hit, oh, then it wants to run. And then you're mad because you could have held it for a little bit longer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh man. Oh man. So everybody, his target is 918. He's been super stubborn. I mean, it's something like you said. It was 4 points away. We reached a peak of 914. It was 4 points away. You really risking all them points, all your gains just for 4 points. But I get it. I know I know the feeling. Oh my gosh, I know this feeling. Hit my target. Hit my target.
All right, here we go.
Come on, Bulls.
Let's see what she does.
Come on. Oh yeah, the way I'm looking. Let me check let me get off the 5 minute. Check the 15 minute. You got this. You got this.
Man, it's going further, dude. My runner might get hit. My runner at 936 might get hit.
Ooh, now he talking big. He's standing on business, talking big.
Oh yeah.
That runner.
Standing on 10 toes on this one.
That 930 runner. That would be sick. You get hit. That would be dope.
Yeah, I'm actually going to take a screenshot of this.
Here we go with those screenshots. Hey, the screenshot curse. Hold off on that.
As soon as I take the screenshot, it's fucking drop.
No screenshots for now. Wait till it hits first, then screenshot. Like, yeah, I told y'all I was right. Zach, yeah, you be looking at stocks. That's good too to kind of measure. Let me pull up my stocks on TraderView. Apple at 194.
Damn. I mean, Apple's already broke all-time highs, but that's crazy. Like, when Apple reached all-time high the first time in that big drop, you would have never thought that any stock was going to probably get back to all-time highs. But here we are, dude. That's crazy.
Oh, shoot. They about to fade you at your target. Oh, it just dropped. Did you get stopped out? Did you get stopped out? No way. No. No, you didn't. No. You were at 98, right? 898?
Yeah.
1
Oh
point.
my god. This is 1 point away. Oh my
1
god.
point away from stopping him out.
We moved it to
Yo.
96. I ain't gonna lie, I would have been pissed. I would have threw my laptop in my imagination and walked away.
Yo. He moved. Okay, you moved it down to 96. Whew. Hey, that big dump could be coming though, man. We're approaching. Yeah, we're approaching lunchtime or 12 o'clock East Coast. That could. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it on the 5 minute. Again, it's looking like it's tipping over. But let's see. Let's check the 1,000. Yeah, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it on these sides. I'm not liking it on the 15 either. Dude, get out. Take your profits. Get out.
My stop is at 96.
I know, but you could take more. You know, if it hits your stop, you're gonna feel bad and be enraged and want to.
On my laptop in my imagination.
And hop in again. We're trying to avoid that here.
We've been through this.
I'm with the risk managers on this one. She did you dirty right there though.
I know, right?
And watch an algo come in at 11 or at noon for New York. So you're in 3. Yeah, I'd take 1 off, 1 or 2, and leave this last one to potentially run.
Yo, if she had stopped.
You'd be enraged.
If she had stopped me out, I would have traded CL all in her face. I was like, what? I would have set a limit and take it off and just go in at any level on CL. Be like, yeah, this is my new one right now. She doesn't do those things to me, even though she does.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, dude, that is crazy. I mean, I guess I can move it up to. No, I'm not moving it up. I'll eat it. My stop is at 97. Put it back at 97.
At 97. Okay, yeah. I mean, it's looking like it's tipping over right now, bro. 15 minute ain't looking good.
I mean, my fits. I mean, I'll only take what 14 plus 3, 17 points to draw down on 3 contracts. What is that? $900 probably. 17 times 20 times 3. It's like about $900.
So you're willing to give up that 900 instead of just getting out now and taking.
Yep.
Yo, stubborn. Hey, that's both our problems. We are so stubborn when it comes to these targets, man. I want it to go well for you, but I'm not feeling warm and fuzzy about it. It's about to stop. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You got yours at, you said 97. You moved it down 1 point.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do it to him, NQ. Bulls, where y'all at?
Yeah, we definitely need y'all right now. Don't do this. Because you know what I'm going to do.
What are you going to do?
I already got the limit order on the chart already.
Dude, wow, man. My target, I figured 918 would have been maybe a little too aggressive at that point. I would have chose 915, and look how enraged that would have made me. Because it tapped 14 or 75 and dropped. A tick. Would have been off by a tick. Y'all bulls need to hold this and push. Hold the line and push. Baby, come back. Yo,
you can blame it. Oh.
You still in this though? You are still.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Don't. Yo, look at it tipping over. Like, y'all, look at this tipping over. You got the EMAs tipping. But, I mean, I don't know. You're giving me anxiety. I got nothing on the table right now. Matter of fact, out at 900.
There we go, baby. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. I mean, we got the 11 o'clock close coming in a minute.
Oops. Okay, we just hit 11. Uh-oh. Bulls, where y'all at? Bulls, y'all coming in? It's 12 p.m. Lunchtime in New York. Bulls, y'all coming back? Give this man his target and then dump?
You know, that would be awesome if y'all did that.
Uh-oh.
Okay, let's see. This is the. I guess I could move my stop up because it formed a potential. I mean, I could move it up to 902, I guess, but I'm gonna keep it at 97. I want my target. All right, so it's at 11. Hopefully, the guys over there in London, they don't close out of the position. Hopefully, they keep it.
Oh man, Bulls come back. We getting some life on the Bulls side. We getting life. They buying back up. Okay, nice.
Okay, that's all it was.
8-point scout.
This is
Nice.
a small pullback. Ah man, what is that on?
Okay,
what is that
14
on?
points.
Yeah,
Let's
baby.
go Bulls.
Yeah, baby.
Let's go Bulls. Oh, 10 contract scout. Damn, JC. No, shoot. Nice. Okay.
We gamble responsibly.
Dang. Oh, that's what's up, though. Hey, scared money don't make money, right? Scared money don't make money.
Trailing stops don't make money either.
Hey. Don't diss my trailing stops. I need my trailing stops. But you right.
You know, honestly,
You know.
no, you're absolutely right. I'm 100% playing around. That's just me and my gambling character. Dude, that trailing stop, I mean, shoot. That trailing stop has saved your profits so many times.
Yeah.
I would let it go back to zero, hit my stop, and that's just how stubborn I get. So honestly, I mean, I would
Come on, Bulls.
I would have more profit if I would do a trailing stop, but
Yeah.
I don't want to get stopped out.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you on that. I hate getting stopped out too, and then it runs and leaves me behind.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Kellen was long with you at 860, and swings from 780 Friday. Woo, Kellen, yo, that's legendary. That's legendary work. Kellen was holding swings from 780 from last Friday. That's legendary. Legendary. Come on, Bulls. Oh my! No.
You saw that?
You didn't get hit though, or did you move it down a tick? For me, it's 1775.
I guess it.
It got you out.
Okay.
It got you out.
It got me out. That's what matters. It got me out.
Yeah, it got you out.
It
Okay.
got me.
Whew. I mean, hey, chat risk managers. It didn't. It got him out. It didn't quite hit 18. Missed it by a tick. But I guess with all the volatility of that pump, it got him out.
Yeah, I'm up like 4,700 right now.
Nice. All right, now.
I still got. Right. Okay, I got one contract. Oh crap! I got one contract. Is going for that runner at 36. I got my stop at 902. I got my stop at 902. Actually,
Okay.
I'll put it down at 90. I'll put it down at 98. I'll put it at 8. Oh, that's not for that.
898 again. Okay, it got you out.
It got me out.
Hey,
I mean, that's all
cheers.
that matters.
Cheers for Sherman in the chat.
But hold on. We gotta talk about how toxic that bitch is. We gotta talk about that. I had that 418. You know what happened? To where I got stopped or my order filled. But I had it at 18. What did she drop at? Literally a tick.
A tick.
Literally a tick.
A tick.
Oh, shit. Literally a tick. Oh my god, dude. Oh, she's so fucking. Oh, she's so toxic. Oh, so toxic.
Yo.
Why is she like that? She literally went a tick and said, "Nah, I heard he wanted that 418 target." Yeah, okay, we'll see about that. And she dropped. Oh.
Oh shoot! I was with him. I was with them in that trade in spirit. Now I wasn't. I didn't. I stopped. I stopped after I hit the targets for the day. My target. I was in this short that took forever. Felt like hit VWAP, got me out. That's all I wanted. And then I should have went long here at VWAP. Oh, that would have been beautiful. But my nerves. Yeah. And then I'm trading. Did I tell you? Sherman, I got 20 accounts.
Really?
I thought you.
Wow.
I picked up 17, so I'm in 17 evals and 3 PA accounts right now. I requested the payout Friday, along with everybody else.
Approved? Did it get approved?
Let me check back.
Yeah, make sure, because I mean, obviously you didn't lose any money there, but even from what I've seen and in their documentation, as long as the payouts have been approved, even if you blow the account, you'll still get that payout.
You still get your money.
If they have not been approved, then it is not official. So you need that approval email or whatever documentation or communications that they send out to you. And risk managers in the chat, y'all, this is something that y'all need to listen to too. Make sure you get that approval, because you don't want to think you got approved. Something bad happens, like you blow the account, and Apex says, well, we never really got that approval, so unfortunately you lost the account. And it's going to be an automated system. They're not even going to probably reply to you or anything, because Apex has everything automated.
Yeah. he said the market makers are watching, and they knew exactly, so they like, yeah, we're going to stop them by a tick. We'll get him out. We'll get him out. That's dirty.
Crazy. That pump up, whatever that pump up did, it must have failed.
Yeah.
It must have touched it. I literally had it at 418. I was not moving. Like, once my target's entered on the chart, I'm not moving.
Yeah.
I'm not moving.
9-8.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. A tick, dude.
A tick.
That was crazy.
A tick. That's my life in a nutshell. She's a tick. And that's why the targets that I think that I want, I've been starting to kind of move them either above or below maybe a point or two, because she is that toxic. Oh, man. She is that toxic, y'all.
Yeah, I think last week she was missing, she missed me by 2 points on every position I took. 2 points. 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. And I was like, dude, why? Why are you doing this to me? You want to talk to CL?
Hey.
I saw that text from CL last night. I saw that.
So just to update, I did request my payout for the 3. I requested that on Friday. It's still sitting pending status. But like I said, I obviously give it a few days, but this is my first time requesting from Apex, so I'm not, in their system like that for payout requests. Oh, look at this. Look at the pump up.
Still pumping?
Look at the pump up. 18, 19. Look at the pump up. Look at that pump up. There you go. Hey, risk managers in the chat. My man Sherman was right. Stuck with his conviction. Held through that. Well, obviously he got stopped at that tick, but hey, it hit his target in spirit and in real life.
Managers in the chat.
You still got that runner?
Yeah.
He still got that runner to 930. We just hit 920. Oh, let's go. Hey, remember y'all, I called out before we start. I said, hey, we could possibly see 950. Potentially 950. Y'all watch for that. Be on the lookout for that. Oh man. Whew. I am happy
Feels
for
good
you.
when you see your conviction.
Yeah, it
feels
does.
good, man.
It does. So 1 out of 3 swing for 100 points. Nice, nice, Kellen. Waiting for 930 for 150 points. Dang, that's legendary. Yo.
Is it still going?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, we hit 9. Yeah, yeah, it's going. She's ripping. She's ripping. She's ripping. Said Bears who? Bears
on
are
one
getting.
contract. I'm up $1,100 on one contract.
Bears
And
getting.
she's only 8 points away. Now let's see if she's gonna be. It's like, oh, we gave him hope. We're giving him hope right now. I'm not trailing this.
There. Let's see. Let's see him get his target. There's 45 order block at 9:30, but I think it could tap into that. Yeah, I think we're tapping. We tap into that. Let's go.
Up 26, baby. 26, baby. You got 4 more points. Let's see if you're gonna do the same thing to me again. You got 4 more points. Let me take a screenshot of this.
Nah, don't. Screen. Hey, it's the screenshot curse. I think that's why she played games with you the first time around. Don't short the. Don't short this. Not yet. It ain't time yet. Not yet.
Yeah, this is definitely not time. You see this big dildo candle up? Don't do that. Keep on.
Oh, 27. We got 27 and a half. Come on. Give this man his target. Give this man his target. Give him his theme music. Give him his respect. We got a 52 order block at 9:30. 9:30 and then 28 we got 35. Man.
All right, baby. Let's
That's
see what you can do.
crazy.
Let's see what you can do. So right now I'm up 60 points on one contract.
60. See, that's what we go for, baby. 50 minimum. He up 60.
Minimum. Dude, we don't play those 4-point trades right here. We don't
Man,
play that.
That long at
We go
VWAP
big or we
was.
go home.
That VWAP long
Yeah, that's
was
pretty good.
amazing. Ah.
I'm surprised, like, dude, why didn't you take like?
Cause I was
Oh, you
sitting
didn't
in this
take
in this stressful short. That's why I didn't take that. I'm
Dude,
all
I was in drawdown, so I was. Well, I had nothing to lose except that account. So I mean,
yeah.
but I mean, I was confident. I was like, dude, this is going up. And hold up. Somebody was saying, proves that confidence. Said, oh no, baby. Not only was I confident, I showed it. I didn't move my stop or nothing. You know my stop is still down there at 52, baby. You know it's still down there.
You've been lying to us the whole time.
Nah, I moved my stop up.
Oh yeah. I know you did. I know you did.
Nah, I'm not that foolish. I think I was already up like 4K. If that shit came back down to me, that would have been the count.
Let's Oh yeah, that drawdown would have been able to ate you up. But let's recap this play. She almost stopped you out by a point when it dropped just below 900. Where did she get
And
to?
then to make matters worse,
Uh-huh.
she sold off at a tick
Yeah,
of my target.
that's crazy.
This is why I don't trail I don't trail position. This is the main reason why. This is why I kind of prefer top step sometimes when because they don't punish you for the drawdown. With
Yeah.
Apex, obviously I have to pay attention to it, but
You gotta trade a little different until you hit that threshold, because you will get punished if you don't take your profits. I don't know. It hit 27 and a half, so yeah, we were that close.
I mean, I'm gonna move my stop to 19. I might get stopped out here.
19.
I'm gonna move it up to 19. That's only went up 7 points from 20.
Shoot, you
So
might
that's
as
only
well.
$140.
You might as well put it at your your previous target. Put it at 18.
You know what? I should do that.
And see if she
That is like-
taps it at 18. Oh. Nah.
All right, so
Yeah.
hopefully that 4 or that 920 level holds. Yep, there we go.
He ran. Congrats in the chat. I threw all the confetti. We hit his target. I want him to hit his runner now, but we may get some sell off here. You know how.
Yeah, that's just too high. There's no market. There's no structure to the left either. So yeah, I'm gonna trail this. Like, I mean, I love to gamble, but I'm not foolish. I like to gamble responsibly.
Gamble responsibly.
So I'm gonna trail this. Yeah, gamble responsibly, baby. That's it. Because I mean, look, gambling is like once you get to a certain point in life where you feel like you've accomplished everything that you want, the only thing left to do in life is to gamble. I mean, that's it. That's why everybody gambles. It's like the one thing where you can win or lose and you can get the same high. So, I understand that, a lot of people kind of like gambling sends them into dark places. This sent me into dark places. I've already shared that. When I first found Apex, I ran up 2K in probably like a day on the negative side. And that was just my wake-up call, like, you know what? Obviously, it was 2K of play money, but it was still 2K. And it took me just a whole year to pay that back, just in increments. A whole year just to pay that back.
Oh.
And it was just for nothing.
Target filled. Target filled.
Target filled?
Target
That's
filled.
what I'm talking about.
9:30. Target filled. Target filled. All right, y'all. I was in that trade with him in spirit. Target filled. Look at these. Ooh. Target filled.
Today I made 5K. I held strong, baby. I held strong. Hit all my targets, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, and it's still going. It's still going. We had 32 and a half. Hey, be done. We're done.
I'm done. I'm done.
We're done. We're done. We're done. Cut A. We're done. Target filled. Hey, the risk manager's seen. They was talking crap at first, but they seen you hit your targets. Let's go. We're done. Damn, it's still running.
Oh man, I might jump back.
No, do not jump back. No. We're done. We're done here.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna close the chart.
We're done here. Oh shit.
Dude. 6 points I left on the damn table.
Hey, that's nothing. Stop it.
Hey, yo, your target might actually get hit, man. That 950 actually might get hit.
Hey,
954.
20 points away. 20 points
crazy.
away.
No, I'm done. I made 5K today. I held strong with my conviction. It feels good to be right. My runner got hit, and if I kept it on, it would have kept on going.
Target and the runner got hit, y'all. Target and the runner.
Plus, y'all saw it live on stream, baby.
Yeah.
Live on stream. We called out them levels live on stream. Hey, we're going along at VWAP.
Yep.
And from VWAP, 58 all the way up to 930. That's like a what?
Those of y'all. Oh yeah. I'm gonna measure the move real quick. But those of y'all that was in that short with me, if you were in the short, if you were,
I bet y'all wish I was on that long side.
If you were brave enough to take that short with me down to VWAP, I don't know how many points that was for me, but let's measure this move for. You were okay. Your original was 65. Or no, we're gonna measure from VWAP.
Oh.
We said we're gonna measure from VWAP. 59.
So from VWAP 8. So the lowest candle. I got in that VWAP like around like 58.
Yep. Yep. All right, we're about to measure this move real quick from VWAP. We'll call it 59. All the way to the top. Sheesh. I mean, we'll do it to 30. You caught like 70 points on that. 70 points. Now, obviously, if you'd have held a little bit higher, could have been like 77, almost 80. 70 points. Nice. And Kellen over here, Kellen caught 150 points. And caught 18 points of drawdown. Yo, yeah. That's beast mode right there. Yeah. Congrats, Sherman. You held through. Conviction. All the risk managers. Hey. Sometimes you just gotta hold and trust your conviction. We are in lunchtime.
Yeah.
I've been done. Like I said, I made 3,300. I so wish I could have got in on that with you. Man, that would have. That's okay though. That's okay. That's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
We made our
I
money.
told you. Yeah, we both made money today.
Yep. We both
That's
ate.
what matters.
We both ate. Yep. That's all that matters.
That's all that matters, baby. We both ate. I mean, y'all will see sometimes we will be in opposite positions.
Yeah.
We do that a lot.
Yeah.
You'll be short. I was like, no, I'm going long, baby.
Yep.
We hope we hope that the other person has to blow the account. But if the position needs to go against him, I need to get my target. Target
Dang.
over bros, baby. Target over.
Dang.
Nah, I'm
Target over.
But yeah,
bros.
yeah, sometimes we are on opposite positions. Sometimes it's unfortunate. When I tell Smith, hey, let's go long, he's like, nah, this looks like a short. Let's be right. I mean, sometimes it's like, fuck, he's right. At least for right now, he is.
Yeah, we both. I mean, that's what we're here for. We see different things. We help each other see different things, and call out our mistakes.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest part. Like, just admitting we were wrong. I'm not gonna. As long as we admit when we're wrong. I mean, I think that's like the biggest thing. Because once you start lying to yourself, talking
Yeah.
about, well, if I did this and did that.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think I was like 3 points away from my stop getting hit. 3 points at 52.
Oh yeah, dang, that's crazy. You were. So it dropped down. Yeah, it dropped down to 55.
Mm-hmm.
What spy
And I
said
would have said,
that?
damn, man, you was right. I should have went in short.
Spy is at 472. It's up $3. The Qs are up $1, almost $2, $1.70. ES is up 30 points, and the NQ.
30?
ES is up 30 points, and the NQ is up 114. So compare that. Like, what would you rather do? Would you rather take your 30 points on ES or the 114 on the NQ?
On the NASDAQ. We already know the question of that.
Yeah, we know the answer to that. Yeah, we probably
y'all
getting.
can TVS.
Yeah. I can trade it, but I hate trading ES. It's just not, them 4-point moves, 3-4 points, and you're like, dang, yeah, this just made that's a lot. We just made that's a lot for ES. If you get 10 points or better, you killing it on ES. You killing it. Is this a dump? Is this a dump or a little pullback? I don't even care. I don't know. I'm about to close up shop. We're done. We both made our money. I ran a little bit past my cutoff time at 11. Yeah, y'all. We'll come back. I'll have my recap video up later on today. We'll come back and do it again tomorrow. Thanks you guys for jumping in with us. Appreciate all y'all comments. It's hilarious from all the risk managers. And yeah, Sherman, you got anything to add?
Hey, risk managers in the chat, man. Hey, I got my target.
He ain't waiting until 2025. He hit his targets, baby. That's all. And his runner, plus a little bit more if he had any more. Plus 7 points. Dang, that's wild. That's wild.
Man, it looks like my runner from right now looks like that was a good place to get out. It stopped dead at 36, 37, and now it looks like it's going to the downside. So,
whew, man, you had me stressing over here. I've been out of position since 10 o'clock on the dot. So I was over here an hour stressing, mainly in this area, this 910, 900 area. That was the most stressful, and I ain't even in the dang trade. Oh man. But y'all, if you're gonna still trade this or look for that short, that reversal, remember, trade safe. I do think we could get a huge, we'll call it a huge pullback. Let's just say that. I'm looking at the 15-minute. It's not. The buyers are looking kind of exhausted, but they may want to push it up to beware that 940, 950, or we almost hit 940, 3 points away. Remember, I called out before we started 950. So just be cautious of that area. Really, there's nothing to go up. This is, we at all-time highs, so yeah, I'd have to let the market form some more structure. Whew. I'm glad you got out, Cameron, out of that short safe. Yeah, I wouldn't short this just yet. You got to wait for that opportunity. I do think it's coming at some point today, but right now, I don't know. I just don't know.
All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Trade safe out there.
Yeah, y'all have a good day. Trade safe. Yeah, we're gonna do it again tomorrow. Do it again tomorrow morning. Yeah, like I said, I was a little late getting in on stream. Had to set everything up, like basically at the open, look at everything. Well, it's a good thing I did my chart study Saturday, Sunday. I did my chart study on the 60K or the higher time frame, and then yeah, that kind of helped be a little bit more prepared for today. So yeah,
this is what I will say before we get off stream.
Mm-hmm.
If the bulls cannot get over this 936 level,
uh-huh,
dude, we might be dropping on this. We might drop. Because if you look to the left, like I said, with that open interest closing tonight, a lot of the positions are going to be cash settled. If no new buyers do not get into this market tomorrow, we are going down. So it is crucial for the bulls to maintain this tomorrow. But this looks like this is like the start of a big drop. My opinion, though.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. Yeah. Good trading, guys and girls. Like I said, if y'all gonna keep trading, trade safe. Yeah, I gotta cut it, but gotta go take care of some business. But yeah, we appreciate y'all tuning in. We'll do it again tomorrow. All right, y'all. Peace. Well, be on the lookout for the recap coming later today. All right. Take care, y'all.